I am here vibing with arguably the greatest and most influential selector in the history of Jamaica's music space. His parents named him Eric French, but we know him as
Danny Dreadlocks, you know?
Danny Dreadlocks.
Yeah,
Great man.
Yeah, man. How
The
you
great
doing?
Sata.
Yeah, it's Satan. I thought we pet there.
And then pet there when they grow up. Yeah, we so
yeah.
get round to
Before
that.
the Danny Dread come
Before the
in.
Danny Dread.
Yeah.
Great man, all is well, sir?
Yeah, man. Give thanks and praise.
It's a joy. I want to tell you, a million people have been asked if I interview Daddy Dread.
Yes,
I think so.
them all ask me too.
They all ask so.
One all call in and I say, "Mom, go on the program, Bridget. We do it."
But everything take time, man.
Yeah, man.
It's a joy to be here.
Yeah, that's the father.
Godfather.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Sir French.
Yes, sir. And praise to the Most High Father God Selector, the first, you know?
Man.
Who guide and protect I continually. You know, see it? From them time there until this time, man. You know what I mean?
My thing.
Yeah.
Thing. So, Father, Danny, dreadlocks, as I said, don't leave off the locks.
yeah.
Talk to us, though. Early life, place of birth.
Well, definitely, you know, I tell you things going on. It's a Greenwich Farm.
Greenwich Farm.
Me original farm. Born and grew up down at Greenwich Farm. You know, but after a while, you know, I go all places, all about, you know.
Movements.
Yeah, movements. Between me and you, several countries them send me go, because them say me I go bad.
Oh.
Yeah, that time my mother, because you know, she was the only one where me know, me never come see no father. My father dead from me about 10 months old, so.
Oh, my
Yes.
condolences, man.
Yeah, I come see she, and I come see me have 3 sisters and 4 brothers. Yeah, so I was 8 away. And French or whatever name, but my father dead left.
What Daddy drop out?
Yeah, I don't know him. You know,
Right.
hear about him. So he was a soldier.
Oh, he was a soldier?
Yeah,
Over camp?
Yeah, over camp there. Yeah, so.
So we are...
My mother now grow me alone, she alone. Now.
Mommy alone go the 8 of you?
Yeah. No, well, him there when me I last one.
Oh, you're the last one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But so mommy alone basically grew up.
More,
Eric?
Yeah, mostly me, because them one that they don't get actually big already. Yeah, some of them, call them, you know what I mean? Them
Yes.
bigger than me and thing.
So you made mention that mommy sent you some places. Where are some of these places where you spend some time?
After a while, when time I start to get big now, and my sister them start to say, no man, I keep bad company, mama. Send him go a country. So them plan and send me go to one country named Claremont, at the first country.
Claremont at the same time?
And I sent her. So, that Claremont, I don't remember how long we stayed there for, but you know, come back and think, leave the son and come back to town again, and them send me go a different country again now. Them send me go to St. Mary now.
Which part of Mary?
A place named Bikes River.
But okay.
You go Richmond.
We know all of them places over there.
Zion Hill there.
Yeah, wow.
Bikes River, Flint River, the whole of the river, them name off gone round the way there. Yeah, man, so a whole part of country.
Only part of country.
Yeah,
But them not have you moving, Danny, man.
Yeah, man. Some of them want to spend a holiday.
Like holiday, yeah, understand, yeah.
Some of them spend
Yeah.
holiday there
Yeah.
sometime and think and go back and, yeah, we go back to town after a while.
Where did you go to school though?
All right, now we go to school now, we go. When we were Greenwich school, when we did have Greenwich Farm, we used to go Greenwich,
All age,
Yeah, primary, all age. So, after I left that school, you know, the only school I go otherwise I want a country, because I spend more time at the one there in St. Mary.
Okay.
So I go Zion Hill, all age.
All age.
So I left the one there now and go Zion Hill school, and there St. Mary there now. Till when I drop back at town now and think now, we never really finished school.
Okay.
Because that thing go on a country where the people them send me back at my yard. You know what I'm saying? It's like me too bad to stay at town or me
Too bad to stay at country.
Yeah,
So they really get trouble then, Danny, man?
yeah, because you don't really in the trouble, you know, but like, all right, I tell you what go on now, because I don't know nothing for hide. I three away I grew up in the other country there, as boy. We're going to go sit next to Bobby and Bonnie. 3 away as boy, now, Bobby, Bonnie and Danny. So the big man now, which is Bobby father, because he's only Bobby father, him and Bonnie, I never Bonnie father, but the 3 away in Upper Grow, already this big man, you know, I sent me, you know, with Douglas in name and thing, contractor and thing. But then they take a start now. Him a call Bobby, One day, and Bobby, I try around at the back of the house. Bobby no answer. Bonnie no answer. They say to me now, no one go, Daddy, me answer, come here, sir. Come carry the hug here, go up on the hill up there, sir. Me I say, my son, nice son, at her. And I say, me not carry me now. So me now go to there and say, ah, guy, hear me. Make him do what he do himself, and me not carry you. Me never know the man I hear me. All me can hear is whoop, whoop, whoop. Some bush I say, come here, boy, you face it. After man tell you if you go carry I go up there, so you talk about me if you go do a whop, whop. After me, I'm going to take on myself. I'm not sleep in the house all night. Because I say, yeah, me not take no beating. No. Me I got town, man. Me I get the train. And then the train I run.
A train I run. Say a long time.
A long time. Train I run them times from country to town, man. Diesel and train. You know what I mean? So I grew up come see them things. I'm glad me not get them time there still. Because sometimes back in them days there, you know, it was like a adventure your life.
Right. So you came back to town?
Yeah, I come back to town now and thing and start going to school name. Commercial school, I start going now.
Okay. What at the Greenwich Farm?
Greenwich Farm. It name Invincible High School card. The teacher name Mr. Johnson and I pay you for go there. So still.
Okay. So it was a private school type of vibe?
Yeah. So end up going another one there until after a while now I end up music. Take me away from.
Alright, we soon come to the music. You said mommy had 8 of you. You were the last one.
Yeah, me the last
one. And you said daddy passed when you were about 10 months old. What was it like financially though? Seeing that mommy was the one now kind of trying to feed everybody.
The woman that never sleep. I tell you.
Yeah.
Because before, you know, I hear my mother, before my father died, I hear my mother was a dressmaker. But when my father did know, she just making things now work out, so she started to push fish cart and sell it.
Oh.
You know, push the fish and buy the fish from down at Green Beach.
Right.
And pack it up and go up on the road at daytime. So every evening me I come from school, I have to make sure I go meet her and push the cart to go which part she go sell, because she sell up on Spanish Town Road. And me I push from down 3rd Street, go right up to Spanish Town Road every evening. I go meet her with the cat and push it for her. You know, they really get whole heap of teasing in a school, you know, because them times they show your mother selfish is like a dust, like a, you know.
Degrading, right.
Some of the people them want to teach, hey, if your mother selfish, like a something bad. And tell you something, my lunch money bigger and the whole of them won. And some of them live in a rent yard and I come see my mother own the place where she have. You
Nice.
So I never even too feel no way. I just know say, anything my mother say, I'm me that I'm ready to go with her, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Because the rest of my brother and sister, them get big. Some of them are work and them thing. Me was a small one, I have to come home and work from school. Boom,
help mommy.
Help her carry her cat and come home, come cook too.
Come cook too.
Man, so we can cook good too, you know?
Yeah, man. What thing?
Yeah,
so the world know Danny Dread, as I said, as arguably the greatest sound system selector of all times.
Yeah, man.
When or at what age or stage now the music start become a meaningful part of your life?
Well, the music now, I have a bigger brother now, him have some more brethren, like them have a Rasta. All of them are Rasta. So them have a sound, which the owner of it is named Maccabee.
Maccabee.
Yeah, he was the owner for the sound, but Maccabee don't keep the sound of him yard. He make it stay in my yard where my brother they have space and
okay, right.
Pack up the sound in there. So them have that sound where every year them use it, to keep them Rasta thing. But here one now, my brother used to play the sound, but when he put on a LP, you know, not take off that till it done, you know, so nobody never used to follow the sound.
No mixing, no nothing.
Nothing there. worst tune when they put all that drum on the LP. But paper up until that done before them take it. So, that little sound, you know, I go up, come see them have it in the yard and thing, and so, me did love music from a longer time still, you know, see. So anyway, I start to fool around the sound with Iosis, you know.
Iosis.
Yeah, it was the first sound. Like my brother, they control it, but the one of it named Maccabee, you know. So anyway, we start to play that sound, you know, and people start to gather around and thing, and we start to, like, people start to follow Iosis now and thing, you know, see it. Anyway, to play, and them where they know start to use it now, keep dance.
Okay.
Yeah, people start to use I was down at Greenwich Farm, keep dance. So me used to DJ it.
You're a DJ and playing the song.
At the same time. But every time me DJ the sound now, I'm on and I can't talk.
What's up?
Yes, my brother. So me I say, it not gonna work out, you know. So I meet up on Jamaica, you know, on Jamaica and as a DJ. Cause I used to DJ at that sound before.
Right.
You know what I mean? So
Right.
like Emperor Fate and some little sound from out the east.
Right.
Yeah. So I think all them brother-in-law did own a sound when he used to DJ.
Okay.
So anyway, Jamaica come live a farm, cause my family down there too. And thing farm. So Mike live down there now and thing and him come around the sound and DJ upon it too. And you have a next youth now from over Raymond now, and named Tapazuki. Tapazuki, them used to love follow the soul. All one time I was a player now, Raymond man, nothing at the dance, you know what I mean?
You change the profile of the thing for other daddy, man.
Yeah, man, talk, the man, the whole of them are coming, because you have Tapazuki used to in the group with them, a youth named Boyak. With Rankin Dread
Rankin Dread.
In England. I drop out and what thinking of Rankin Dread. I used to have Leroy Smart.
Oh, Leroy Smart used to come exercise the sound too?
No, not do the sound. Them come used to come at dance.
Just come at the dance,
Yeah,
okay.
I can't think of them, Tapazuki and all of them are friends, you know. And some more man where I may remember some of them name, but it's like a crew.
Right.
Yeah, so Tapazuki used to come help the DJ the sound now. So the sound even get nicer now, you know. So me stop DJ. Me no bother with the DJ thing now and me
Yeah, just I do the mixing.
and the selecting.
Right.
You know, cause 45 and them way they used to most play cut 1 or 2 dub, cause dub the deer and the little sound never to have
I'm the money,
dub.
right. So let me ask you though. So you said Jamaica, so Jamaica was actually working on the sound too?
Yeah, man.
So it was Jamaica and Tapazuki who were the DJs on the sound now?
Yeah.
Are the singer and the DJ on the sound?
Them 2 of them are the DJ
Right.
on the sound. So until I was the player, can look for the 2 of them come. You know?
And at what age you started playing, you're playing IOSIS though?
Well, they call it
As in officially, like in a dance and then something there?
about 18.
About 18?
Yeah, about 18. About 18. Because me don't go back to school them time. So
Right.
me just start to play the sound now because start to learn trade. I learn a trade named electrician trade. You know,
cool.
electrical work and thing. Yeah, so meanwhile, I learn my trade, I play the sound and I play music. But after a while, I stop work and it's like, I don't know, like how the father said, and electrical work if you do, you know, music if you play. You get me? Because you have an inner spirit to talk to you for every young fit. You know what I mean? You guide you on your way. Where you know, so well, boy, that road there.
That's your destiny.
Yeah, that road there, if you go down, the road there in front of you, so if you want to go choose the bad one, or your one. You know, see, so music was the one I choose.
Right.
And so I'm going to play a sound, and I was is now, I was is a sound now where you have Volpa youth in a Greenwich Farm, you know, where some of them are singer, some are DJ. But them, all of them go down a farm. So when I was a player now, we have all of a man in the dance, so some are singer like Sammy Dread.
Sammy Dread, Sammy Dread, oh cool.
And Philip Fraser.
Philip Fraser.
Yeah, you have Prince Allah. You have Rad Taylor. And some Greenwich Farm man. Because you have Trenchtown and Greenwich Farm, bust up the more. The 3 places them where music, Waterhouse, Greenwich Farm, and Trenchtown. Yeah, them are like the birthplace for music and sound system and pan a whole. Because when King Tubby's used to play, when me a little youth, the Ranaga dance, every sound where we know, like them name a call, like them have to come a Greenwich Farm,
Come play.
Yeah, for say, yeah, at the body sound that, you know what I mean? Because you have some, whole part of sound did about them time when me a youth, you know. And some little sound when I hear some man talk about, like one named VJ the Dub Master.
VJ the Dub Master, yeah.
you have a next one where they Kenny Atta.
Kenny Atta.
I've done a sound there. You know what I mean? And they have hours out there, and they whole political
In them time they have Tipper Tone and them sound about the place. That's a big youth sound.
Big youth, because the first time I go listen to Tipper over which part Tapazuki them come from over when them there. So we are call over there. So we about we are most call it a roast town.
Roast, okay.
Yeah. So We have a place name where them called Big Yard. We over there, so I go listen Tip of the Night. Big youth a DJ Tip of the night, and I take him in as a youth, you know.
Right.
I go listen to them, because I play the sound of them, I was still, you know, on the sideline there, come on and go watch the bigger man.
The bigger man them.
At the same time, like Uri, Big Youth, because when Tubby's come out.
Uri was on Tubby's at the time.
Yeah, Uri.
And Big Youth and Tipatone.
And Tipatone. So them two sound that did bad, but you have a little sound, you know, where it bad too, but after a while, it only play for a little time and go away near El Paso.
El Paso, yeah, I've heard about El Paso.
Dennis Al Capone.
Al Capone.
Yeah, that sound that did was it, you know. Anyway, El Paso play the box, them little bits and some little steel and so on. But I tell us the place go, wow! Whenever El Paso play, man, you know, see it and things. So Dennis Al Capone, they didn't the thing.
You know the thing?
Yeah.
Were you going by Danny Dread yet?
No.
No.
Sata.
Sata.
Yeah. Because we used to DJ. And the tune of me love DJ now was Sata Masagana, the rhythm feed. You know, we used to love DJ, so I me get the name Sata.
Sata.
Yeah. Me used to love DJ upon Sata Masagana, and the people that kind of like that style of me. Because, you know, me chant like Big Youth on it.
Okay, cool,
you know,
man, cool, man.
Because, you know, like me, like say, blessed is the man that walketh not the coast of the ungodly, don't sit at the seat of the scornful, you know.
Yeah.
Stand to the ways of sinners, you know, them way there. Yeah, pan it and them way there. So.
When did you actually change your name now over to Danny Dread though?
Alright, in time. The Danny Dread now come after a while too, you know.
After a while?
Yeah.
So it was Sata for a while then?
It was Sata for a while.
So Vice President and the whole of them time then, Jammy's a Sata same way?
No, Vice President was Sata.
Was Sata.
Yeah, the name I was changed now one time I go around the sound name. Where have it name changed then sometime socialist.
Okay. King at Solatani. Solatani first. Yeah. We soon get round to that then.
So after me leave Vice President, so because I have a sound the name Vice President when I used to play, you know, after me.
Waltham.
Yeah, come from up in a 77 lane.
Yeah, but before we reach Vice President, we could take back IOC. So you take IOC from a little sword and turn it into a medium-sized sword.
Yeah. Because when we used to do, you know, we used to borrow all box and amps, you know, just to make the sound.
Make it sound bigger.
Yeah, because me and the Bridging were one Vice President, was Bridging, him the name Dennis. So me have one tall, two more box to go borrow for play for in the dance, you know. Me get it from Dennis, you know, Dennis have some double 12 them times.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So me get all arms too, because I was only have one piece of arms. But when I have a next Bridging, we have a next piece of arms. So when me I go play out now, I go borrow that next piece of arms there and connect the two of them together. I want play
bigger sword.
I want play a treble, make it sound like the big sound them out there, we want play a bass and want play a treble. So,
so
used to make I was a sound good. Yeah, man, because we got your whole heap of thing, forget the thing then for the sound for play. Like big sound.
Like big sound.
Like over that say you guys.
Stereograph.
Yeah.
Tubby's at the time.
Yeah, at the time, you know, see. And then we had it. But after a while now, me start to play the sound name
Vice President.
Me left IOS's and Dennis did have a sound. As me tell you, we used to borrow Dennis box. I love Dennis.
Sound.
Yeah, me love the sound bad. Because Dennis sound pretty. Red, green and gold. Double 12, the box them in a red, green and gold. The name of the sound in a red, green and gold and psychedelic, you know. So anytime in the dark, any pretty light or shine pan it, man. The box them pretty, man. Yeah, man. Then the sound. Vice President.
Were there any artists, singers, DJs around Vice President?
Yeah, you have a youth named Bacchus from Plain Avenue.
From Plain Avenue.
Yeah, Bacchus.
So he was the main artist and Vice President.
Yeah, Dillinger that come through sometime, because Dillinger a DJ them time.
Okay, so Dillinger used to come give us strength.
Yeah, give us strength on Vice President. I used to own it named Laddie. He was the first selector. I'm going to go see my select it, so me and him just start to play it.
Okay.
I used to Laddie, I'm going to go for it. But yeah, what them do now, them got teeth on the Vice President amps and thing, and the sound kind of, but at the same time when them teeth that sound, the Vice President of a Virgin, we have built a sound named Solatani.
Solatani.
So when Vice President Sound Afro Park now, Solar Tani come on and check Dennis, and Dennis all right, make the youth come play the sound for you. And I go over there, Ranking Trevor, I back up on.
Great Ranking Trevor.
Yeah, Ranking Trevor, though, he was the DJ and the selector on the sound, you know.
Oh.
Solar Tani. Yeah, because it never named King Atani.
Right.
Named Solar Tani, and Ranking Trevor was the DJ upon it now. So me go there now as a selector now. So me and Ranking Trevor play the sound now. Me play and Ranking Trevor DJ. Because Ranking Trevor used to have Uri style, you know.
Right.
You know, see, but then now, after a while now, we don't know where they happen to Tubby's sound. I think some police mash it up out of Center Mass.
Oh, I've heard about that.
Yeah, I think some police mash up the man sound and thing. And when you take a start now, you now must never have the sound for DJ at the time. So you come DJ the sound now for
Solar Tani, because Solar Tani was based where? Tower Hill?
Yeah, off Henderson Avenue.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, you're right back from Waltham to Olympic Way.
Okay.
Yeah, so around
so Uri forward, the great Uri forward on Solar Tani.
Solar Tani, you know, and me, Uri, and Ranking
Trevor.
Trevor. See, so Uri know, I say, no more Solar Tani. King of Tani.
King of Tani.
Because you know, King Tower is the man.
Right,
that
right.
Man, no soul, nothing, you know.
King.
Because them good at peace, is a soul sound. So the man said, no man, King of Tani, you see. So you right, change the name from Solar Tani to King of Tani and thing. And we did that play. We play some powerful dance. One time you right foot broke, and my foot broke, and me.
What do you mean on the foot, bro?
You right foot broke off our bike.
Oh, okay.
And my foot broke off our bike too. But there are two different places. My foot broke down there, so you right foot broke up there. So.
Closer to your hip.
Yeah, so you right now. A dancer keep down a Guinness from where the two of we are in the dance. You right, they pan him coach. We didn't plaster upon him foot, and me they pan me they pan a chair with pan my coach too. And the two broke foot man in the dance. One is I used to dance.
So you were a DJ?
Yeah.
And you have select?
Yeah, then pan with my broke foot. I tell you, King, because you have to come play the sound, you know, and thing. And yeah, so I go end up, I got the dancer with my broke foot. Then I go play the sound and thing till after a while now, Uri and King Atani fall out.
Oh, okay.
If you notice, Uri know how to talk about King Atani sound, you know. No, because when King Atani bring off on the man, Uri, I never talk about him in an interview. But
okay.
Uri was one of the bad DJ on the sound, because things that Uri do since him come on the sound, I learn a lot from him. Knowing that me used to go watch this man and play sound as a youth. So when him come now, I come and get a teacher. Because the man come and start to get some rhythm. When we go cut from Channel 1, and the man come and name every one of them. Like him, I say, well, Danny Judd, I want to name Traitor, you know. Yeah, and I want to name Ital Stew. Yeah, and I want to name Jabberry.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you I name every tune. That's when you go dance now and I play.
Know what is
say,
what.
And you I say, that's one called Jabberry. And I want to name Ital Stew. You was some sound man, no. They don't know the music. Them so they go to Channel 1 now, because we are playing the first set of dub there below. So we go to Channel 1 now, and I say, one Ital Stew, you know, I tell Ernest, your China Bridge in there, where you run Channel 1, and Bonnie Tam Tam, where he was the engineer down them time there. So when you take a start now, them go to Channel 1 and ask you the tune them. Oh, man,
but no know them the tune.
I don't know what you're talking about with Ital Stew, with Traitor. You know what them do now? Them go back and get that cassette and tape.
And tape, yeah.
Cassette and tape. I think are the leading way to most things and music even gone foreign and gone all over the world. Cassette, man. At the starting out tight. So them get the tune, them have to come along with them big tape on them shoulder and tape where we are playing, and then carry back to play. And it's all the diamonds with him, that man. You know what I mean? I know Ital Stew.
Yeah.
So that's how we know you are rough. Yeah, man, you right, great, man. So, yeah, man, the teacher that, man, you right, you know?
So you left King of Tarn, you know, and
Yeah, and venture out, because you right, I go build him one sound.
Right.
You know? You right, left and go build us one sound and thing.
Sturgaff.
Yeah, but the thing with King and Tarn, they don't know, man, you right, they did not even go back around him, so. Some bad man take a King and Tarn gun. And you right, go and tell lies, you right, said the bad man defeat.
Oh.
So you right, say, what, that the boy I talk, but I go back on him sound. So do that, you right, never talk about him, find on him interview them, I'm not, you right. And then left free with the sound now and things. So me and Rankin Trevor there, you know, and I go and play the sound same way, because, you know, Rankin Trevor sound like you right. So,
Right.
so we are go and play, so but when you take a start now, we woke up on a youth named Nicodemus. That I Rankin Trevor meet him first, you know,
Right.
over Caymanas Park.
He was a jockey apprentice.
Yeah, we go over, go play over right side of Caymanas Park, over the next side, anyway. What them call us now? Portmore, where them, you know,
That's on Independent City side, probably another region in the
right
south.
side of Caymanas Park.
So you have Waterford down this, probably an Independent City then.
Waterford.
Okay.
So that's how we go play one night, and Rankin Trevor meet Demus, and Demus now with a train for turn jockey. So Rankin Trevor said to him, say, why then? But I didn't turn no jockey, man. Come turn on this jockey. You know, see it and thing. And so Trevor Rankin bring him in on the sound and start to give the mic, and Demus start to DJ and thing, you know, see, till after a while now. Demus get wicked, bad. I don't know, the man improve so quick, it come like sometimes I say to myself, like the people them love
Demus more than Trevor.
More than Trevor. You know, see it. At time now you have a next youth now named you bro.
The
now.
great you Brown.
Yeah, you bro now, cause you bro used to DJ at King Tubby's sound too, you know.
Right.
He was a youth who DJ a lot of sound in a film part of place. You know, see it, you bro have a history too around sound system.
Yes.
He used to DJ other sound from King Tubby's and thing till him go King Tubby's one at the time, because him did their King Tubby's. When anyway, you run down, depend King and Tarn, you know, with we, you know, me and Rankin Trevor and Nicodemus. You know, see, and
Big lineup that the father.
and we still
Danny.
yeah, but next youth now where him used to come and dance to Burbantan
Oh.
and come hold the mic too. So Burbantan used to hold the mic, plus Jamaics. Any sound we play,
Jamaica the boat.
Any sound. So Jamaica come as King of Tarn too. Him one at a time, him have a little history on the sound.
Right.
So, him changed the name from
Socialist Road.
Socialist Road. Because we did a ball, so right now we now go out the road with them big socialist thing upon the box, you know, with fists on it.
With fists.
So we, and we say, no, Mr. Welch, no, we have to change the name, you know, see it.
Yes.
And
But we're not King of Tarn in a sell yet still, so we don't reach something that's yet.
We still there down at Rupee. Rupee hold the sound them style the same way. You know, see it, and we go and play till the Rupee go sell the sound. So the man them we used to follow it, you know, was the man them from over Jung. Even though the sound come from Towel, the man them were really used to love the sound and follow it. And
junglist them.
Yeah, because them love you from them time, and them love anything where it sound like you.
So you Brown and Trevor Rankin.
Hold the speed like you and think, and you go build him one sound too. Because in them times, you know, when time we are play King of Tarn, you at them time that I think start building one sound.
Oh, okay.
When call name Sturgaff. That sound you know, he used to have a youth named Screw and Rankin Joe. I never Josie Whale
And Charlie.
Charlie Chaplin, no. I was Rankin Joe and School, because Rankin Joe DJ, the next so big, so when my DJ, no man bad like yours. You know, that DJ, you have to give them but Rankin Joe bad, no blow, we are telling them, but Lola can't come dance, with Sturgaff.
Right.
So, we did not play out, you know, see, so, you know what I mean? But you right now, was the like the teacher, so Rankin Joe them, have them own thing I go on, Sturgaff. But the sound now, after we said the name I got change, we changed the name from from
Solar
socialist roots.
No.
I changed the name to socialist roots. Children from King Attorney.
Right.
That's how the politics, I remember a politician.
So the owner for the sound, for King Attorney, sold the sound to the junglist man them.
Yeah,
Tony Welch.
Yeah, Tony Welch then buy out the sound from Rupee. His name Rupee. He used to have a van where take up your car downtown and tie your park bad. Yeah. So Rupee was all them kind of man, you know see, so I him to do the sound, you know what I mean? So I sell it to Tony Welch now. Well, Tony Welch now, you know, I use the sound. You
in
know,
a politics thing.
Them a politician, so I saw them get to go and put on the name
Socialist roots.
But
I said with some big fist on the box.
yeah, with some fish on the box and things. So, but them times that we used to go play same way.
Yeah, so there was never a situation where socialist roots got play and nothing go on because of the whole political vibration.
No, me no remember nothing
Okay.
really go on with, but so, all the things I know I can tell about are sometimes the police where I look for some bad man.
Okay.
And when them a come, shots start to fire from about a mile. Before they reach them, when them a come, because you have some dangerous man used to come and dance, you know, we follow the sound. From all about to, because you would believe some all type of man follow the sound. Because yeah man, because used to have, even though it was like a politician, so people man used to go the way I live right same way.
Some man go and TJ and them place here forward
same dance man, same way, because the politics now come in and wait to them for them to come and dance, you know what I mean? So, because when time anything I go on, you know what I mean? Dance is a thing where it look like it always make people come together.
Yeah. Music tend to do that,
but for somehow, when the people them come together, I just me I wonder why them police are now always are coming night come fire pay a shot and done the dance. You know what I mean? So it's like them you can't see from them time that them never want people unite, you know, because music is a thing where music greater than football. For them say football
sports kind of bring people together.
Yeah, but music bring people together more
than football.
Yeah, man. If you take the stage show them where we are look over the world, where the artists them are perform, you look on the amount of people.
Tens of thousands of people. True.
No for that is great. So music is the thing. And them time there, you know what I mean? So we don't know why, but anyway. When police are come at them dance, the man from outer road, shots start to fire. I saw the afraid that, you know, police are come mash up dance. Yeah, when me play so. Cause them all mash up the DJ and the selector them too, you know.
So DJs used to get licked from police?
Them lick Tapazuki with a gun one night in a soccer. Here where I do with I was is that's how we I was is. Tapazuki goes say police over the mic. So the man them come in the dance and say, hey boy. When they see police coming like that, don't say no. I take the big, the other side. You see when you look in at Papa's chest, you see a big thing come up, so. Yeah, man, police don't have to lick the mash up the sound man them sometime. Yeah, man, I'm trying to do me today already too.
What them trying to do you?
One night I play Jammies, a Waterhouse, and where they are playing, the man them coming at the dance and stop the dance, and I said, Danny J, I treat me tonight. You know what I say? So I said, treat me. Yeah, man. So, yeah, man, you know something? Yeah, see, man. You know the man that treat me with him. I school, the man at school after that, and I said, yeah, man, you must get treat me tonight, man. And stay so now, and I said, I hold up in bayonet in the ears and thing, and I stay upon him. So I see him hold up in bayonet, and I see him go down, so zoop. So I say, treat me. And yeah, so sometimes they bring out something. Sometimes, that's why you see Barta Leave, they sing all that tune about putting at the dance and officer asks you, took a sense and said, no, officer, you must be mad. You only smoke cigarette and shot. So I mean, smoke cigarette and a shot.
Yeah.
You know, see, but them things that them put in the music, you know, see. So people go all hear that song and smoke trace, so it's about smoke shot and cigarette, you see.
Yeah, but so with the socialist roots and all, Tony Welch and the gang.
Yeah, Tony Welch, man, I feel bad for them over there, so now. So we have to play freedom sound for a while and thing, and till when you take a start now, Rankin Trevor get a chance to go foreign. And me and Demos there and 3 hours ago, me and Demos are Rankin Trevor. Anyway, Demos not get for go because somehow, I don't know if a passport thing or what, where something go on down the line there and thing. And so me said to myself, say, me not go on far enough Demos, because Demos are the DJ we have.
Right, DJ.
Get wicked now,
yeah,
you know,
man.
see, so the man must say, you know, I go send Trevor alone then, and I'm go so buff and send Trevor alone, you know. You know, see, so when Trevor go to Canada, you know, so the sound mash up now, because when Trevor come back from Canada, me and Demos are play jammies.
All right, before we reach on Jammies now, so if eventually Socialist Roots name was changed to Papa Roots,
Yeah, to
and
Papa Roots.
and Jamaics was one of the main man responsible for that.
Yeah, because I'm just DJ. Papa Roots play on a Monday night, you know, so they get the name coming, you know, and fit in on the sound, because I film lyrics.
Right.
Papa Roots play every night, you know, so we just say, all right, Papa Roots.
Papa Roots. So Tony never have no issue with that?
No, never have no issue with that.
Okay, cool.
Him himself knows, say, where them do never right.
Socialist Roots sing never right.
Yeah, on the box. Because me did have a label named Socialist Roots, you know.
You had a label called Socialist Roots?
Yeah, when me used to produce.
At that time or after?
At that time.
Yeah?
The time when I play the sound, I have a label named Socialist Roots. Because I put on a tune with Linval Thompson and Hugh Brown, named Train to Zion.
Train to Zion.
Yeah. Because one of the time I produce music when I play the sound.
Right.
So I start to make the rhythm them and start to play like Pachi. You know what I mean? No man no have them thing they for play because my thing them.
Your thing them.
Yeah, so eventually no. But here go now. Eventually all Tony will end up taking me tune them. Because really at the fact, I immediately borrow the money from to start the business.
Thing.
But after a while them get bad mind. Because them find out say people start to come to a jungle. We done it there, and artists, me I bring in artists on the sound now, because Linval, Bantan Levy, Barry Brown, every artist, me have
Start come round, Papa Roots.
Come on, me too. Because me advise them on the rhythm them, you know what I mean?
Oh, you are the big producer then, Danny, man?
Yeah, man. I take with the tape them at the time, do it before me leave the sound and think, because Bob Marley, get like used to come on the dance them, you know, where we used to play, you know. But Tony West should know him good, because, you know, he claims say my Bob Marley bodyguard one at a time. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And think him and Claude Massop was the two man where
I run off a thing.
Yeah, I run off. So Bob Marley get away name there. I deal for him with my tune them.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, so me end up now, I feel give them the tape.
Shove off a thing them.
Yeah, give them the tape them, so them come one day and them car come for me and me got studio with them, but mix off my own music them. Linval Thompson, Hugh Brown, Rankin Trevor, Nicodemus, and Wayne Jarrett. I think me have a tune with Linval and Bantan Levy. What a tune me have on the LP there. The name Train to Zion. And Bob get the deal for them anyway, because the day when me go mix on the tune, Chris Blackwell did it, Bob did it, Tony West did it.
So Island Records, the deal come true?
I
was
know.
Tough Gang?
Tough Gang, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think them a Tough Gang it come true. I don't know who them beat to, but I see the LP come out one time with two train on it like Bob Marley like, with the two fists, but only two train upon it.
Okay.
Yeah, so them didn't put out the LP, them not giving no money out of it.
No money?
No money out of the tune them and thing, and me just said, me allow that thing, because me used to from, them time my mother is alive, and me never want she hear say me and nobody in the school.
Right.
Scrabbling and think, I mean, want she did left me too.
And it was some serious people them the father, Danny, man.
Yeah, man, and me I go through some serious thing them that time there with them too, because even though me I play the sound, me still have to go and play the sound until when the right time for me move.
Okay.
Remove from them, because them eat the flesh, you know. Yeah, man, them eat the flesh, man, so, you know what I mean?
So you moved on from Papa Roots.
Yeah, when Trevor go away now.
Trevor went to Canada?
Canada, yeah. And then when Trevor go to Canada now, me and Demos never have nothing to do. So we have a sound over Payne Avenue named Tape Tone.
Tape Tone?
Yeah. But Jammies was the man where the technician feed. So Jammies take off Tape Tone name and put on film name on the sound.
So Jammies first, the name for Jammies sound before was Tape Tone.
Yeah. But between that, you know, that was the first sound for Jammies. Jammies did own a sound one time, which enough people never know in a long time from Waterhouse. Jammies have him own a sound.
Name? Name what?
Prince Jammies.
Prince Jammies, okay.
Him did have him own a sound, but you know, that sound that when Bill now tape tone big.
Oh.
You know what I mean? So him changed the name from tape tone and him build the sound for the brother.
Right.
Him become the manager for the sound and start to run the sound now. So that's how we used to play the sound on the Jammies.
On the Jammies. So you never played it while it was tape tone, you played it when it became Jammies.
When it become Jammies. So me and him must start to run it now because we have a youth when we go to go see name Toops.
Toops.
Yeah, when we go to Jammies, Toops did their own the sound. But Toops still go Canada. So them that really need me to take over the sound.
Right.
So when Toops go away now, me take over the sound and me and him must start to run the sound and make whole heap of dance go on in a skate land where we win a whole heap of cup. Every era we are kill sound with that sound. Every era.
Yeah, Divas.
Me and him must kill sound with it.
Yeah.
Man.
So any other singer, artist was on the sound at the time apart from Demos?
From Jammies?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have your artists who come in now. Cause one thing with Jammies sound, you know, you have a whole
Whole heap of artists who follow it.
We come in, you know, cause when we are play, you have all Chaka Demos.
Okay, Shaka the Star come on at the time.
Yeah, man, and Chaka will depend, you come DJ the sound, same way. You have Pompidou and a whole heap of them, bro.
Tolo T.
Yeah, Tolo T. The whole of them, cause the whole of them come from Waterhouse. So when we Jammies a play at Waterhouse, him do a much a DJ, and I'm one of a DJ the whole night.
Right.
Because Waterhouse full of DJ. Yeah, man. So.
Well, while you were playing, and you said that you guys dominated Skateland for about 3 years or so.
Yeah,
Kill everybody.
Yeah, man.
Who were some of the sounds that were facing around them time there?
Some of them, Gemini.
Who did they on Gemini? Oh, Welton and Ringo?
Yeah, all them one they over Gemini. You know, see it, and they have Arrows too.
Arrows. Who did out of Arrows?
We call him. I'm him again. Crutches.
Crutches? Yeah, Crutches.
You can't remember some of the names.
I know their ways, they were. We know their ways.
Yeah, look all black.
Because enough of man them.
We mash up Scorpion tonight one time too, you know.
Yeah, Assassin did over there at the time.
Yeah, man, I used to play the sound name Screw. I had General Cheese.
General Cheese was there as well.
Yeah.
And rub them out.
Yeah, man. And
So that's what Demons did that chat, brother?
Yes, man, Demons did wicked. They must get rough as everybody start to follow him, you know, and when go have a crowd. Because one time him and Brigadier clashed, you know, in a Skateland, you know.
Which son Brigadier was on? Jalov?
No, I think Jack Ruby.
Jack Ruby? Okay.
Yeah, Jack Ruby.
In a Skateland?
Yeah, Brigadier win the night.
Brigadier win?
Yeah, because it was a clash. So a clash between Demos and Brigadier.
Okay.
But Brigadier get the edge over him the night, and then like the next week now, it will for keep a watch it, like the return.
Right, return.
But Briggy never go back at that one there.
Okay.
And all the demons end up at that one there. So it is coming like, well, Briggy take him winnings and
ride with it.
Yeah, so yeah, man, Briggy go back road, because him know where him go.
Yeah.
And somebody, I look him win the first one there. So
yeah.
Him go there, so no, sir, you go out cool with that winning job now. You can't get back that winning job demons. You know, see, so. Big control that with them not
heat up back.
No, so them not crash back.
Whilst you were at Jammies though, you were also playing another song.
Yeah, a whole palico song.
A whole palico song?
Yeah, me and us all about the place. Cause I tell you about a song now out of St. Thomas.
King Majesty.
Yeah, you don't see that time. Early B and Super Cat.
Out of Majesty?
Yeah, and me and them start out on that song.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, Early B and Super Cat. You know, see, because after a while, playing the whole heap of sound. Sometimes I find myself I play two sound, one from country and one from town. Yeah, so me I play King Majesty now from country. You don't see it and think, cause one night King Majesty and Jaro clash, you know, that time Jaro never have Super Cat and Early B.
Okay.
Jaro,
who did over there? Boro did over there at the time?
Yeah, him and Jim Kelly.
Jim Kelly.
Jim Kelly never did them time.
Right.
But that three sound playing at the land tonight, you know. King Majesty, Jaro, and the next sound name.
Studio Mix?
Studio Mix from Waterhouse with
Studio
T
and John Wayne.
You know, see? And you go and Yeah, them there, I think, the pan. Either you go or Bourbon. One out of the two of them, the pan. King Majesty. No, the pan.
Jaro.
John Jaro. But I mostly Jim Kelly, me remember.
Jim Kelly, okay.
Well, I night them man, me I tell them man, Super Cat and Early B pan King Majesty. We done, we lock off.
No, lock them off.
The two sound, first, over, where the sound name, but we just call them,
Pseudomix.
John Wayne and Tolotee start to quarrel with them one another. We don't know whether they're going to crawl over this. One piece of crawl over this. When you look at us, Java, you hear times when Java to that, we don't see the DJ, them missing. You don't see, so that night the man Super Cat and Early B done the place. All Ika Mouse come sing from the sound, you know.
Oh, so you bring King Majesty from St. Thomas, go bust it at town.
Bust it at town, and it look like was the last dance too, because you were going now. Early B go to Canada, and the owner for the sound I claim say him not play the sound till Early B come back.
So what you mean? So Cat not the day on you?
The man say man lock off the sound till Early B come back. So I say alright when you go on so wait, Super Cat by the time Early B for come back, Super Cat a DJ Jaro now.
Oh, so after I kill Jaro, Cat go over there.
Cat go a Jaro and depend Jaro. So when Early B come back now and say well Jaro too.
So King Majesty get left out in a cold.
That sound you know have to just lock down and lock off because nobody now play it, now DJ it.
Right.
Because the man make the sound lock down to Early B and go to Canada. It's like this thing with Papa Roach. So
Right.
Rankin Trevor, go and them. You know see so when Super Cat a DJ Jaro, Early B go pan it too. So I saw Early B and Super Cat.
End up over Jaro.
End up on Jaro.
And them time you still there jamming, same way.
No,
You left jammings, you know.
them time them I look at sound for play.
Yeah. So what going on at jammings?
Yeah, Jammys is kind of, they must go for it.
Okay.
They must go for it. And me now play no sound and at the one night time, but a bridging come to nowhere named John Jolas.
Well,
So
you
I
know.
want to build a sound, you know, but if I know you have play it, me not build it, you know. So me play it. And so whoop, John Joe build the sound named Volcano. Build that in about a week, because John Joe have enough money. You know, see,
There's a judge really saw that about a week, daddy.
yeah, about a week, but they make box everything, make quick. You know, see, that them go to England and bring them some foreign amps and thing, and when them carry down and them there, so, and a big mixer board, you know, so when Volcano come, I will string it up, man. Yeah, man, you can say, yeah. So sweet and nice and look good, because them time like a mixer board, you know, not mixer, you know, board like
Board.
this.
Oh.
Yeah, something like this, mixer board, 16 track. What a board John just sounded have, you know what I mean? So it's like that's why I like Volcano sound, because we could have do anything, could have put in mic, effects, anything
you want, on different channel them.
On the channel them, yeah man. So Volcano was a nice sound.
And then every artist in a world run a Volcano at the time.
Then yeah man, them times then now John Jolas now start to produce music to call. Before him have the sound, he never used to produce. But when him start produce music, because him say well then boy, you know what I mean? The business, I just the music.
Right.
So at that time, they know the music kick off him too. The artists, them were voice up.
Right.
Because John Joe, the man was smart, you know. How John Joe get for voice, most tune where John Joe get #1 off our tune and make it. Him there never dance. And any tune him say the DJ
Well,
get
bust a crowd. But that's wise. That makes sense, Danny.
Yeah, you know, so
you go record them.
that's why enough time you know you find it hard for you get a hit tune. Because enough of the artists know them have to DJ the thing them at them yard and then thing and them and if nobody like
you, while then time them and I get forward off a tune them from dance.
John John knows say yes, I hate that.
People love that.
The code ball out forward fit and one time too. Yeah, all again you get all cheap.
John tall and them.
Yeah, John just smart.
Yeah, man.
Business that smart, man.
Around Volcano at the time you had people like Barrington Levy, Liquor John, Tyan, Cocotee. Who else may I left out? Louis Lepke, Lee Van Cliff.
I have a piece with Cocotee.
Yeah.
Because I don't know why, but Cocotee seems to remember say the night and time. I come Rocky Pine come play the sound the night. And none of the DJ them were like big DJ no come. Because you have Yellow Man as a big DJ, Josie Whale,
Josie.
you have Burro Banton,
Charlie.
you have Shadow Man, you have El Figo Barker, all kind of DJ there on the sound. But you have two little DJ named Lick Harry and Billy Boy.
Yo.
And them two DJ, they alone, the man them send with me with this big sound guy country, we gonna play for people in a dance, you know. Yeah man, that's why enough dance things could happen to me, you know. Yeah, because sometimes you have to whatever a dead trap this hour. You know, anyway, we got the dance and with the two little youth them in there, we ram up the place. And the people them say youth and say, Danny J, give that youth the mic. And I say, come in man, because you know how we stay already and thing, and we give him the mic and him bust a tune. And him go say, and King, I pay forward the man and start singing it, you know, the man
That's a intro.
Intro, the man again, and I pay forward and pay friends about 6 times, I have to do that dance before him start singing the tune, you know. Anyway, when the dance done now, I go say, my youth, I hear me, you have to come to town a morning, you know. You know, say it and thing, and I want you to meet John Jolas. Now go string up the sound and wait till you come. I'm going to say, Raff, I'm going to give him a bus fare and say, make sure you reach. You know, say it, I'm coming, I want John Joe, because them Joe are producing that time there. Yeah, man, I'm string up the sound the next morning when we go back, come from the dance.
Right.
And when we look at him that I come off of the bus. You know, see it. And
right.
Anyway, now, John Joe, we there, try we there wait for now, we just go and start to play the music and make John Joe hear him sound. You see it, a little John, every man up on the corner and a tie, because you know it's like
right.
a eyeglass vest, you know, like peer man there, you know what I mean? So you see when the youth start to sing and we start to play the tune them, because you know what we do now, they said there. Everything when I sing, I record it and put it on a cassette.
Oh.
Record everything when I sing, because all of the children where him singing in the time when him
right.
come, we record it and go so. Put it on a cassette and thing, and because the said night me that go play a Duane Park. You know see, so when him sing the tune them afternoon, we won't go put them on dub plate. So the first set of Cocoa Tea playing a dance, and me put them on cassette and go cut them off on dub plate. And me tell Cocoa Tea say, my town a morning and make me introduce you to John Jolas. You know see?
So put it away, yeah. Danny Dread is really and truly the man responsible for bringing Cocoa Tea to Kingston.
Well, me that said that too, but I don't know if him I said that way there, but me, the dance, me meet him and the night him surprised me because the way me tell you, it's like me and Jojo think the same way.
Right.
Where you
bust
get
the dance.
Bust the dance.
You go on record them.
You have to deal with them, put them in a studio, you know see? So because Jojo never know him.
Right.
And me stick up the sound and say, Jojo,
listen to you,
yeah. That's all, when him come and I sing, I say, Little John Motor. The man wide open because them never hear them kind of thing there, you get me? Because I come with them one little style and mad. Anyway, I play all the dance all the Duane Park the night and draw the Cocoa Tea them. Brand new Cocoa Tea, Josie William, the DJ. Pam. Volcano the night. Yeah.
Bust the dance.
Bust the dance, man.
Volcano now was one of the biggest soul in the business, with the biggest artists. You, as a matter of fact, you and Barrington Levy kind of develop a different form of chemistry, man. Because enough of Barrington Levy tune them, he mentioned Danny Dread name in there.
Yeah.
Because him from the dance and he just go record. Okay. You see the maths now, man.
Yeah, I didn't tell you before. You don't see it. And Barrington Levy is a man where some of them lyrics there, I know you feel one, you know. I Josie Whale, but him sing them. You know,
DJ them.
Yeah, pull it down the radio. I Josie Whale used to do them things there, but the man just put that in the tune same way like the dance. All right, John Joe. Some of the tune them were John Joe voice. And a tune I come on road, you know. Like a special.
I just go play and dance.
I just play and dance, but when it don't really matter, him just put
John
them out.
Just put them out.
And people buy
love them.
Same way. Look. Where is in the dance? Where is tonight? Volcano kill us out. Who is Frankie Paul?
Frankie
A special
Paul.
that.
Yeah, because Frankie Paul used to the road so to the.
A special that.
And John just push it out at
John just
45.
put it out at 45 because the people them love it the way, you know what I mean? So John is a wise producer at them time.
He's a wise producer.
He's wise and him not wise.
He's wise and he's not wise.
Yeah, because him have a little way behind him, you know, where
Yeah.
you don't even talk about it.
Yeah, you and John had a falling out eventually.
Yeah. Because you were going now. After a while now, I may have find myself and dance done. I look taxi.
You mean the great Danny Jed?
Yeah, I mean, I said, John, you mean, I look a bike, but I go and ride and thing and way. And furthermore, I know why you give me. I have a 2-track tape where I just get from Canada. Michael Lewis' brother give me, because me tell you, music.
Production.
Yeah. Well, so I get that 2-track tape, the 2-track, 4-track, you know. Wheel to wheel, you know.
Right.
So I said, John, just put this on the sound then now. And thing, and can read up back some money and thing.
Right.
And I said, Danny Jet. And we roll up one of them something and say, don't bring your Rasta business to me. It's not a Rasta. So I said, why don't I Rasta? What stop to do with Rasta business? Bridget, at night time, I walk home, or somebody dance, them for go still out till I get something for reach over and them thing there. I said, I now go through this too long. So I say, you know what, I step, you know, I step left the sound. You know, see it and thing, and I go check a Bridget where I have a sound named Lisa Limited. He have a bike place for Waltham there, so he used to play up there every Monday night. Papa San and the man them used to go up there with DJ every night, cock up there, because Papa San was a bad DJ. So he used to cock up there with the sound named Lisa Limited. So the brother did have bike and things, so I carry my 2-track tape and see him. So yeah, all this and the man, say a GT 185, I go and ride it. Anyway, I get the GT 185 from the Virgin now and right go I'm over here and see a Virgin down there now named Gene. He used to have a football side near Wadada. And him called me now and when
Hold on, so Gene had the big brother there?
Big fat brother. Dead the other day. Gene now they own the sound named Studio 54. So I see this big man come and say, Danny, you want a sound? And I say, yeah man. I say, you want a sound now, Studio 54? I say, yeah. I say, you want it? I say, yeah man. I say, all right, yeah, well, I give you and Bigger Ford the sound.
I mean police, Bigger Ford?
Yeah man. So I say, all you have to do, I only want to hear the sound and play. I no business with it no more. I hear a sound and Bigger Ford and take it and go on a town. So I just put it on a truck today and just whoop a town with it now and come a town with Studio 54. And have Studio 54, I go and play, that's all. The first when them the something where Len keep, I me play down there.
You mean Sting?
Yeah, Studio 54 play in the opening.
Right.
And after that, Len keep a whole heap of dance all over Spanish Town there, over St. John's over there. A couple of them places that Len keep dance with Studio 54. So Len used to keep some dance with it too, you know, see it and things. So Studio 54 did that go on with a little bit of thing now, you know what I mean? We have a couple of DJs from around the place where we get around and go on.
Anybody with name?
Well, the biggest youth with the past Studio 54, you know, is a youth who used to DJ like Joseph Whale, you know. His name Papa Desi.
Papa Desi.
I don't know if you ever hear about him.
No, I'm not familiar with the name.
Well, him attack, he takes a Joseph Whale.
Oh.
Just like one time, some of them attack, he takes a you right. You have somebody who come imitate them too, you know, because Desi attack, you know.
Joseph Whale.
Joseph Whale, that himself, you know.
Yes.
And go and see him and act same way too. Him go to England anyway one time, and I think he come back from that. Papa Desi. He must
Papa Desi.
Yeah, because he used to have like, Joseph used to DJ upon it, you know. They said Studio 54.
Studio 54?
Yeah, man. And Charlie Chaplin.
So now for the man that did there over Volcano, come support the thing?
Yeah, man. Them come on Studio 54.
And I guess Jamaica, so them probably forward.
And Peter Metro.
Metro.
Peter Metro used to come DJ the song, because through a Gene, and Gene is a man where Gene will call in some DJ and send him. So, well, go DJ, true word.
Yeah.
Gene said, go DJ with the sound there. You know, see, kind of, you know, him control.
Have the links.
Yeah, have the links and things. Peter Metro used to come and things, and way, have all the next, named Principal Grundy. in not principal, you know, but it through him DJ like Charlie Chaplin.
Charlie, so the
him
principal.
Call him call
Okay.
But his name Principal Gunde, he was one of the DJ who used to DJ upon the sound too, you know what I mean? So Studio 54 did have his little, get him little run and thing, and but here comes my virgin now, come back from foreign now and thing, cause me did stop playing
but yeah, before I think D must have come back come link, but before we reach Terramars, you actually went back to play Volcano for a while, no?
No,
you never go far and go play?
I go save John's life.
What do you mean?
Go play one dance so some man I keep.
Jim Brown?
Yeah. And them send him down here and say, go for the jet car 2 dance and the first one flop. Cause
you never reach the first one?
Never reach the first one. I never play the song. I send the man, send him, beg him come there back for me, you know, and I say, all right. But now I make them do it now.
Hold on, who was playing the song after you left?
Inspector Willie.
Inspector Willie? Oh, okay.
Yeah, Inspector Willie. But I don't know if he did go up with the song.
So, okay.
Because them carry the song got fine, but the minute I think Inspector Willie, they get for go up and play it. And the first dance never work out, so them send for me now for come play at the next dance.
So then tell John just say, if you not come, you not for come?
You not for come back. So that them say to him, say, well, I am my boss. If you not come, if Danja not come, nobody come back. And you know, at the end of the day, when me go, I don't think me go.
Wrong thing you do?
Because John want me come back home. He must set up some little man for kidnap me.
You mean for stay back, man?
For stay back and fire in there with them and play the sound as a selector, you know, like either them or some man, but them have you in them place. And,
right.
You know, foreign stay already, and some man, them have them gun and thing and Anyway,
so after you mash up the dance, at that time, the local thing they go on?
After me mash up the dance and thing, yeah man, I say I go back home now. Some little man where John just set up. Because I danced it, one minute to play one more dance, but the dance I never keep. That I did like the dance before I come home.
Oh, okay.
But the dance I never keep. So anyway, I come home now, John now, set up them money from Jungle now. We run from Jungle. That is my Tony well friend. I mean. So them now.
So man, them you didn't know from yard, Danny man?
Yeah, we used to lift up the sound box them. We used to lift up the box them when me and play the sound. Them man, they get for go where go foreign and go turn not to us. You know, see, so them are not to us now. Them come to me one day after me go up on the corner. One of the man them come to me, that's the one way. Because most John just set up that, you know. Because the man come to me now and I said, Danny, where you go back for Jamaica for? And I said, a paradise, say that. You know, where you go Jamaica for? I say, never saw down there, I go back down there.
That's still the 54.
Yeah, because I have it from my bar and that thing. And when you take a start now, the man goes up, go in our shop. The record shop that right a youth card there, Superpower record shop. Right a youth card there. Go in the shop and come out back with a LP. Now you name this? I say, yeah. So no George Frank name this. I say, yeah. So I say, you and George Frank team up down there, you turn and produce LP. So I say, you and George Frank team up. We all the way there is a team up down there. Oh, come me and George Frank to team up down there. All the way used to team up down there. You say, I don't know what you said to me. You know, see, so it's a car them a job for me now, you know. Because through George Park, even Tony Welch have to take away himself from Jungle. And them too. See? So, them, John Joe use them now, because him carry most of them man that were running from Jungle. You know. So John Joe use them man now. Him no want to do it up front, you know, but him use them now for try to kidnap me, for me to come back a yard. Which me know how him do it. You know, see it? Because where Punga go come talk about, come with me go in there, so I go for LP with me and George Bank name for where that, you know, see, so you can't see this tragedy where them want to bring off for me. Anyway, me a Lone Ranger, they go up on the corner and thing, and I want to tell you that day they reaching now where me have to call some police, because the other them go on is like, them really want to overpower me, you know, for way, you know, me have to go so rough and get them off and push them away and run down the street. I run down the street, so I say, a police car. I say, hey, police, come here. Those guys up there, we'll go back up there. And then they stand up, you know. But me not go up there for stand up. Me go back up there for make me a Lone Ranger move. You know, see it and thing. And you know, see it, because me see it all coming away.
It don't look good.
It don't look good. You know, see it. So I say, all right, me a Ranger there. When I go there, the police, I say, where's the guy? And I say, me not see him in the road gone. and thing. That time they save me and thing and way. That time some man there where me go some man there I wile him up to me go back up to some man and wile him up, you know. Like, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, some man there wile him up, man. Whenever like where him bring off the boy Punga. You know, see it and thing and anyway, me arrange a cut and come there with some man where when we go back on the man them tell the man them I say, boy, no, we go on tonight, go down them, you know, down the judge. And I say, Judge, I say, one reason we not go on go low. Just go home and cool it off. Two police they come on the
Right.
And I say, no, that saved them. Make my crew not retaliate back the said night.
So you came back home?
Because I mean, some man from Waterhouse and them man rough too, you know. You know, see it. Yeah, man. So anyway, I come home. And even after I come home, and there me yard, I see a van load of man come there one day. Driver come check me and say, Danny Jet, wow, you know, so why you come play for it? That's Studio 54. And I say, a garden, the man them come from, you know. You know, see it, and at time I youth there from Tower named Claude Mossop. I youth to me and him used to go to school down at Greenwich Farm there. I youth there too, a tall youth there, live on top 10, one of them buildings there down there. Him live down there, but him turn big now and thing. And a 5 man come check me the day. And I say, you know, so the boy John Joe, wow, we do your things. That man them say, that's why I say, he might bring off them thing up on me, you know. Yeah, because,
why? Just because you know play so no more?
Right. Man want to take your life for that. You get me? I say, yeah, so I go so rough. And I go say, I don't play a garden for no man. I don't know, no man, I say, don't play for man, we don't a fool, man. We don't do nothing done, just look how long we know you and thing and way, I play so. Anyway, because I play Volcano down at Denham Town already, you know. So, and I like, me no go.
Right,
yes.
Man, them know you like that.
Yeah, so, baff, me go down a garden go play for them tonight. Down Claude Mossop Memorial, where they play every year. A Joe's Wheel and Charlie Chaplin DJ the sound down there tonight. And my other youth them where they depend.
Right.
You know what I mean? Like Elfico Bark and some other Daddy Life and couple of
Daddy Life.
So after that night we play a garden. The next night we go play for a youth who dead off a bicycle up at Gemini Club there. One out where early BD, remember that tune really one. One of them dead one after one of the bicycle one at a time.
Okay.
And we go play him. After
one wheelie tune,
the next night. After me play a garden next night, we go play for film burial thing too. And time they Borg and the whole of them alive and thing. You know what I mean? So it's like a history, you know. This thing, everybody said me should have write a book and read.
You should find that man.
Some bridge, you know,
why not?
We should have act a movie, because I'll movie chap there in this, you know, growing up and coming in. Yes. And thing, you know.
Write the book, Father Daddy, man. Write the book.
Write the book, man. It's all coming, man. Because there's so much thing to say, there's so much story.
Right.
You know what I mean? Because you have a lot of sound where we talk about, and some of them we never get to talk about them yet.
Right.
We are try
cover off everybody.
Everybody, I try cover the
So, Studio 54, you know, as I said, you are running off that you're in Bigger Ford.
Yeah.
But then now, you're going to move on to...
Nobody knows the Bigger Ford in that picture.
Oh, they don't know?
No, only me and Gene and Bigger Ford themselves know that.
Yeah, I guess probably Lengo they know too, because you say Len keep couple dance and Len and Ford with them probably good like that for an end time.
Right, yes. Yeah, so Len get for keep no fight.
Right. We figure as much, man. We figure as much.
You don't see it, I think. And we're there now with Studio 54, because me and Youth Man Promotion used to go and wicked over Maxwell, over Lincoln Avenue. Yeah, so most of the time me and Youth Man Promotion I play. And over there, so Studio 54, Youth Man Promotion. Okay. For the artists, Sugar is a man where they have to make a sound and time too, you know what I mean? So Studio 54 and Youth Man Promotion. No flicker play. We play a Crossroad, Lincoln Avenue, you know what I mean?
All about the
Chisholm
place.
Avenue, the whole of them liquor places. There we tour, we play like try to hold back the crowd, you know what I mean? Because Pinchers used to come sing around there and the Sugar used to have Yami Bolo and Tenor Saw, you know, see, them time there, you know what I mean? Because Yami Bolo and Tenor Saw come like them grew up among Sugar. You know what I mean? Whichever them come from, but them are Sugar them.
Sugar, right.
I that's what me get to know them.
To know them.
Yeah. So when you take us that now, we are play Studio 54, but my brother now come check me now, because him come back home now and
Nico?
yeah, he must come home now and drive, come check me one day and say, yeah, I have a brand new sound, man. Forgive you now, where I do, the Dan King now come in at the play, because I play for King for him, I'm young youth, I play music for him, you know, which enough man I know. If I'm King at 19-year-old, I go play for him down at Clarendon with Socialist Roots.
Socialist Roots.
For a long time, them, so long, King know from Papa Roots days, you know, King no own no sound yet, you know. From them time, them
right.
for them youth. You know what I mean? Because, you know, the man they used to go college down in the country, down in Clarendon, you know, when them are youth, you know, see it? So that's something you get for know Skeng, you know, see it? So, Skeng now, send come for me now with this, because me know him as a good man from them time there. I say, you know what, I'm better, I send back the sound there, you know. So I pack up the sound from the truck and send it back down, and my man to go give back.
G.
The G, they see it. That G, them vex when them see the sound come back a country. Because they must say, I wonder what this, and I see what. Should we get this new sound now? And Skeng say, yeah, me now. Run that sound for me now. And me and D must now start to run Skeng sound now, Stereo Mars, you know, see it. So, D must know is a man where, true, me know so him bad the way there as a DJ now, and then Super Cat now, did rough now. So, D must and Cat link up. Cause now, you know what I mean?
Right.
So, Demus and Super Cat now come in and Stereo Mars and link as the DJ them. And them are the first two DJ there where Skeng bring on the sound.
Right.
You know, see, the rest of them come after.
Like who?
Like Bourbon, Cutty Rankin, and a couple of them too. Cause where we used to DJ the song, but they're not really permanent on it.
Right.
They just pass through, you know what I mean? Because you have somebody we're turning a DJ to, you know.
Like who?
Ricky Tuffy.
Ricky Tuffy?
Yeah, man. And we turn him in a DJ, man.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he'd have a next week named Captain Ken Seawas.
Oh, I don't know that name.
Yeah, he's the name Captain Ken Seawas. So, I hold it for them. So we find out, say, we did it know with Stereo Mars, Super Cat and Nemos and thing, you know what I mean? Jamaica's passed through sometime too.
Jamaica's not left you out.
No, and so him doing got thoughtful and he sent the tune for me about where Michigan and Smiley take them lyrics. I don't
Dance of a car?
Yeah. I him never do no tune for no Tony Welch where Tony Welch give me in a tape. Tony Welch never give me in a tape. You know see it and thing and then where he must say about Bob Marley
Harmonize the tune.
Me don't know if they go do the tune for Tony Welch, because Tony Welch they take away the tape them from me for tune.
Okay.
So maybe him go do it for, but me, Tony Welch never give me back no tape.
Oh, okay.
Because up to when my house burn up, Tony Welch have the whole of the tape them. And tell him before him dead, him call me. Say me for come for the tape them. And I said to myself, say, you say you are so long, I want to never give me no money out of them things there for a long time. I don't want to see nothing with them tape there again, you know, because I'm dead the other day. And before the man dead, him called me and I tell me, say, me for come for the tape them, you know. I'm not going away. We just make them, me don't want, even if the money even want to sue nobody for show them, say, my music.
Right.
Me don't want them money they neither. Because they're not used to me. Certain money they're not used to you. You know what I mean? And certain money will take your life. You know? So certain money me don't want.
So you just leave it alone?
Yeah, me leave that alone. You know what I mean? Yeah, so when it come on to that part of the music, the business, you know, money we try for wedding there.
To fight for nothing. Right.
For make people know, say, I might think them this. Because I have things for proof, so I might think, you know, the label when name Socialist Roots, I might name them on it. Danny French. I never use it, because through the steam in all this politics thing.
Right,
The
right,
label,
right.
Me not put my foot
Full
right
name
there.
pan
Me
it.
put Danny French. The label there, Danny French there on it. And me even change the label there and put Papa Roots too. So we start to take off the socialist roots
And
label
put
and
on
use
Papa Roots.
Because Trevor Rankin tune, Sabla Man Rock. I immediately put out that tune there. A Papa Roots, that label that come out. But I my label that too. A tune with Nicodemus and Rankin Trevor. Jamaica hip-hop, first hip-hop tune will come out. I immediately put out that too. You know, see it from Papa Roots label.
Yes.
Because I change the label from, just like how Jamaica tell you, socialist roots, I change the label to Papa Roots. A 3 tunes I put out from out of them set as tune that we do in a them time there.
Yes.
I love it, I make that go on, you know. I
Right.
love it, I make that go on.
There are a couple of things I want you talk to me about before I forget. One of them was around Volcano. There was a set of girls we used to follow the sun.
Oh,
Solid Gold Posse.
Yeah.
Think I saw them girls in him.
yeah, man.
Big crowd.
Yeah, man, enough of them, man. Enough of them girls. Jonjo last woman in night, and she lead the pool.
And she lead the pool.
Yeah, but she lead the crew, but the whole of them girls, you know, dress up and thing and way come and dance. So, you know, so enough followers Volcano. You
Right.
know. Enough followers, because enough man ever know, say, Greg Rice, that kind of man, they come sing by Volcano sound, you know. Enough big artists, you know.
Right.
May I tell you, because Jonjo, it came so big in the music business. Greg keep a dance one night. I mean, I'll give some people some history, you know. Up at Barbican there with a Volcano sound of music. I think, yeah, Volcano will play that right there. With John Zola, so. And graduate dance, I will go play. And police come and stop the dance. Dance ram, you know. Anyway, them there, and the police them say, all right, go on, no, go and play. And Gregory go sing. Every time never sing. The time he just make the dance go on, because the man go sing a tune, say, apart from a fender,
No,
nigga, and blood clot. That tell you, say, the police them come back and say, oh, lock up that man. The man like that, the man say, ooh, how attack? And yeah, man, I done the dance, man. Yeah, man, done Gregory dance tonight, man. I tell you, man. So, it's like a thing, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
We used to have a lot of fun around the sound, you know what I mean? But after a while, sweet become bitter. Yeah, that's some man mouth, you know.
We come with there some bad one.
Because they want the glory.
Yeah.
To keep forever. You see the glory all the judge I want now.
You has been credited, I think, as being the first man for beat Radigan Ayad. True or false?
Yeah. The white man there, yeah.
Yeah.
Me done him, man. Me
You
done him.
done him. What were you? Jamie said they played at the
That was
time.
me that played the night, man.
What was he playing?
In the Barry G, man.
What that?
What that? So,
Ah.
so him come play for one that. And you know, say, him not tell nobody about them. I mean, him a get one interview, and him not tell.
What for interview?
Yeah, so the first man will clap him up in a dance, a Danny Dreadlocks, pan a sound named King Jammy. They said he must say,
Nicodemus.
that night, them late for the dance, you know. For reach other dance. I boss me take God a dance that night there, you know, late. Anyway, we go there and turn on Jammies and the place start to go on wicked. With Demus. And I tell you the man, them say, all right, wanna win. Come over here. Wait. Them stop for that night, the man, because we are going over.
So end up go over what that?
We go over, whole I will go over what that. Me and Demus and Demus go DJ with them and whole I will go play what that.
Yes.
Night there. So I said they go to the house, the man. Rather got number, but him not tell nobody.
Him not tell.
Keep it like it's a secret.
Like it's a secret.
Yeah,
I don't know secret no more then.
No, the first time he get a beat, man, I mean, first put him on the boy.
Yeah.
We jam his soul, man. Him and Barry G too, you know.
Two of them get it.
Yes, man. Two of them. Because Barry G that go like him a rough selector one night time.
Yeah, but it was a Barry G did at out tonight, selecting street at that time.
Yeah, man.
So you took another sound now and made it into a massive sound, Stereo Mars.
Yes, man. Stereo Mars was like a what do I call it now? Computer.
Computer sound.
Because we have a little thing on it to change up even the voice on the mic. We can change it up and make it sound like yeah, go too foreign, you know what I mean? Boy, that tell you about computer voice, guy first. Pompidou, Rockstone, yeah. So
Rockstone,
I'm changing it.
Well, I think an ugly man's a computer voice still, but Pompidou's a Rockstone voice and synthesizer voice.
Synthesizer. Well, I think where they come
with synthesizer.
With like a synthesizer we have on the sound. We change up the sound and anything we want to do, man. So still man come like a computer sound when it come down. You know what I mean? The equipment them too. You know what I mean?
Nice.
Yeah. And them really so still man is really a sound where people respect, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
And then them times I know can give me a big bike for go and ride, you know, and thing. One of the biggest bike, you know.
One of the biggest bike.
Yeah, man. Because first me get a 900, I like the man, I said, that's too little than 100, man. Go say, move, man, send on 1100. Man send for about 1100, because everyone will get one. Me get one, Greg Isaac get one, Steely get one. You know, man, you know, Steely and Cleveland, because right. Steely used to play most of Skengdan rhythm them too, you know.
Oh, yeah, I never know that.
Yeah, man, most of the rhythm them were Skeng produce, because remember Young Girl Business, all of them tune they were Skengdan used to produce them tune there, you know what I mean? So, enough of them tune, you know, Steely and Cleavy
build the
rhythm them just and them times the jam is a shot.
I probably know that for true still. I just probably never did a man sit up again.
Yeah, man, because the music too, just like how I will tell you before how Jonjo deal with it.
Right.
I saw because most of the trap them, you know, me make nothing, you know, for go to studio, go. The LP there, Nicodemus LP, where you see me in one car there, I mean make the LP there. Super Cap LP. I mean,
what do you mean you make the LP?
Me are the
engineer?
Yeah, the way you call it now. I mean, get the band, make the rhythm them, and carry them go vice pan the rhythm them then. The engineer, they were I work out on the board because you know what I mean? Take the tune, man.
Right.
But it's like a me.
So like I hear the producer then, man.
Yeah.
Not the executive, but I hear the production, right?
Yeah, because the rest of man them there in the studio.
Right.
And I me have a vice.
So you do whole up of them work there, Father Danny?
Even for Jonjo Laws, because sometimes Jonjo Laws them will send the man them go to studio go work. And me go there with the band them too and make some of the rhythm them for him too. You
right.
Because Jonjo not stay at studio. But he make the man them go work, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I know what you say.
So me now get free build them with him, yeah. And make Super Cat and Demos them, you know what I mean? A couple other studio we work, you know, because we go to Miami, go lay with him, you know. Not even in Jamaica. King did have a studio in Miami.
Right.
For himself, you used to have Jacob Miller brother name again. The big fat one there.
I'm sure.
He used to in the studio. You know,
okay.
As an engineer. Musician. He used to run Skeng studio there.
A history class, you can't mean a Father Daddy.
Yeah, man. Jacob Miller, big fat brother there. So Skeng did have a studio in Miami. And Skeng now used to send for the artists them and vice them up there. Like Sugar Minot. Skeng have a lot of tune, you know. They have tune with Sugar Minot. They have tune with Junior Delgado. They have tune with Oriya Sandy, Frankie Paul. You know what I mean?
Right.
He have a lot of tune where he used to produce, you know what I mean? So, and most of them too, a couple of them, I tell you before, I've been going to the studio to make them. Like if some of the Sugar them where Sugar sing for
right.
You know? I mean, Sugar in the studio, Sugar vice them tune the film, you know what I mean?
But you're deep and I think now, I think Father Danny, like, I know the man greatness in it, but then I never know say the things are deep with a certain aspects and respects.
Yeah, because one time I have a label for myself now, because I make my own label and call it Crown Him label.
Crown Him?
Yeah. So that label there was, I have some children we put out with Conroy Crystal on the label there, you know what I mean? And Baby Wayne and a youth named Tenor Junior.
Tenor Junior.
Yeah, not Tenor Son, Tenor Junior.
Right.
Yeah, man, them me label them on the internet.
Crown Him label?
Crown Him, yeah, His Majesty and Two Lion, I crown him, you know what I mean?
Okay.
And you know, me name Cronin with the dot in between. Yeah, my label that.
And that is still active?
No, well, me I go start produce back some music and go back into the business. So right now, you take a start down. I go work back my label now again now because,
Okay.
you know, not never over.
Not never over.
No,
Yes.
I just everything just to have time, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Like the father, they say, you have a time to do everything.
Yeah, man.
So everything
The time
working,
for
man.
everything under the sun. Stereo Mars now, eventually, I think some of the artists them start migrating.
Well, Stelmars now, Demos and Supercat are them two man then go for it. But when them gone for it now, we'd have Junior Cat and Cutty Rankin and a couple of the youth them, but them did to tell them end up go for it because you have a next youth with name Junior Demos.
Junior Demos, right?
Yeah, but
Roughneck Chicken.
Roughneck Chicken and the whole of them go for it. I left the sound now with me and some little youth now. That's me I have this little youth where we start to juggle with the sound because we start to play like Silver Arc and certain sound used to play.
Start to juggling now,
Yeah,
and
start to
a
juggle.
DJ, they dance a DJ no more.
No more. I just the Selector play some bad tune and some
Yes.
DJ tune and I youth named Dada You when me the carry and
Dada You. But before
Yeah.
you talk about Dada You, did you actually bring Ainsley from Jaro to Stereo Mars too?
No, me and Yenzi used to play Stereo Mars. Yeah, man. Me take Yenzi from Java, man.
You did that?
Yeah, man. And me and Supercat. I'm mostly
Yeah, and Cat.
Supercat.
Okay.
Supercat are the man who gave him the biggest influence. But Yenzi is the man who check for me, just like how me check for him.
Right.
As a youth, you know, see it. And so, me and him are band that way there, you know, see it. So, and some enough dance and me and Yenzi play the song.
Oh,
And enough man even know say the two of us play the song. But how we play it, nobody knows.
You don't even know.
You would even know. You don't text me when I play, but yes, I play it too. You know what I mean? Because sometimes now when me got and foreign now, kind of some other work,
Ainsley run off the thing.
Run off the thing, you know, see it. So, yes, they did it with my man. My great.
What Ainsley there?
Him go foreign.
I'm going to go foreign.
Yeah.
Him still.
Him still up there.
Okay.
Still up
Okay.
there.
Cool.
Still up there, man.
Yeah. So you see, you bring on the next youth now, Dada.
Dada You. Yeah. Because Dada You know, could have chant on the mic and go on like how you see them a do, you know.
Right.
This, you know, the girl over there, son. The big body girl there. You know what I mean? So, Dada You was one of them.
One of them
like
selected there.
Something like him, so we left Dada You with the sound and thing and way. But Dada You, father have a sound and hear me yet up now. Dada You, father have a sound. And Dada You go up on him father's sound and go country and drop off of the chuck.
Cha.
And drop out.
Yeah, no.
So after a while now, Stelmars come like, it just fade out.
Yeah, because nobody not really there around.
No Supercat, no Nicodemus, nobody, no way. And the youth go dead now, make it worse. So, King look like him just go so now and just sell, give her the box them, give her the amps them. Because him give me the dub them. Me go down there and get back the dub them, you know, see it. For him, because when the sound kind of...
Right.
Yeah, me go down there and check him and me give me back the dub them burn up in my house.
Cha.
You know, see it. And me they come like me used to go find go play like all Stereo Mars, you know, because to me have the dub them. Me, Stone Love and African Star play England.
Okay.
Big dance. Stereo Mars, African Star and Stone Love. Yeah, man, play England. You know what I mean? So, but through the dub them burn up in my house now.
It's Stereo Mars part of the thing.
We lose the part of Stereo Mars. You know, see? So, right away now, when time, where they know one thing now, we have a youth now where from over my way named Chinaman, you know. So, him did have some bridge in a forehead now where have a son named King Ad. No, them don't name King Addies, them name Addies.
Addies.
Yeah, so, them say they want me to come play the sound now. So, me go up there now to play Addies sound now and left and go foreign, you know, and go foreign. The most Addies. When you go Addies, you don't know who know, they don't know. Supercat and Nicodemus, the same place where we drop there now, so eventually now, it's like
a link up back
it's like a link up, like a Stereo Mars, just build back in a different style, you know, see it. So right away I get back my DJ there with me and the whole already are for it now, you know, see, so we just start to play Addis now and as a sound where it a go on like it, you know, like how Sturma
Right,
place. I have
right.
Super Cat, Nicodemus, I have the foreign DJ them to come in. You know, Juna Demus there too. Plus the anyway they don't know anybody DJ them know the singer them come to, you know. Cause you have man like Sluggy Rankin, we love it. Sluggy love it, and Willow Wilson. And you have Trevor Sparks. You know what I mean? And Johnny Osborne and the whole heap of man who come tear up the place with for them thing. You know?
So again, Father Danny,
Addis coming like
you went overseas, New York, and made Addis into a giant, brother.
Yes, man. Because when we go there now, have some little equipment, so you know, Addis have, you know, and thing, you know. So the Virgin we used to.
How did I run it so? Chinaman or Father Ethan?
A Chinaman did
Chinaman at the time.
But Ethan used to come around.
Okay.
But a Chinaman I run the sound because he had spent panic them time before him getting in a freedom like a
Right.
So Chinaman was the man who I run the sound them time there. But after a while now, Ethan now take it over and start to, because Ethan cousin sound, you know, and a Chinaman sound, a virgin named Addy.
Addy, right?
Yeah, Addy are the owner for the sound. That time I Ethan cousin, I don't think I'm brother, but I'm cousin. Yeah, Ethan cousin used to own the sound now near Addy. So Addy now used to make Chinaman spend on it, but after a while now, Ethan now take it over because Chinaman now.
Getting on some good things.
Yeah, him and the people them where live off in there. So he went up out of prison. You know, see, so when I tell me that to come back home, after that, because a DJ we don't use them time there, you know.
Still I use DJ?
Yeah, we still I use the DJ them, just like I'm tell the Super Cat they did it. Nicodemus did it. So I never miss no DJ, like, you know.
Still feel.
Have them DJ the side of me, yeah man, we go on with things anyway, you know, see, then Tennessee did up there one night time too with me, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I think Jamie Bowler passed through too.
Yeah, but Tennessee are the man who come up there, come to the stadium.
Okay.
Yeah man, that time you have Nitty Gritty too, you know. And Nitty Gritty they come there one
come
night
around one night time too.
Yeah man, so a whole heap of artists, yeah man. You know what I mean? Just like with a volcano. Like,
right.
Like any sound where we play, people are come there, so artists are come, people are come. Yeah man, so after I play Sturmers, Addis, I go
play. So whilst playing Addis, you were playing Sturgraph one at a time?
Yeah, well, I play Sturgraph. One time, I never did play Addis one at a time. I go play Sturgraph sound.
Okay.
Yeah, because one at a time, I did leave from amongst Addis.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man, I did leave from
amongst something go on?
Yeah, some little foolishness go on where I never should have gone and thing. And I leave from amongst Addis, because Babyface, me and him did dead upon the sound.
Right.
But now them want to bring in a youth named Mataran.
Magic.
Yeah, but and a Mataran make me leave. Me I leave the sound before Mataran come there. Yeah, because me never, you know what I mean? So when Mataran come there, me don't leave the sound.
Right.
So Mataran come there now, come take it up and him and Babyface dead.
Right.
I go on with them things till the two of them couldn't go in no more, till Mataran left it and left Babyface till him dead with it, see me? Till after a while now, oh, me go play Sturmers now. Me there New York there and Uri Sturgraph, Uri come play Sturgraph and thing, and Inspector Willie did for come, but he never come. So Uri check me for me in the day and say, if me want to come play it, and me say, yeah man, me get up some tune and come play, man, because you don't know Addis have him selection. So me just take out a portion of Addis tune them and go play at the dance. So Uri, so the way the dance go on good. And Uri asked me now, so if me that come play the sound and thing, and I say, yeah man, because right now me not play no sound and thing, and where I go so now and say, come down back, come to Jamaica, come play. Uri, so it's a Sturgraph. That 2 years I played for.
2 years?
Yeah, I played from 1998 to 2000. Yeah, I played, and then I played to 2000. But even all when me leave Addis sound, you know, when me say leave, me never really leave Addis sound.
Right. You just stick with yourself for a while.
Yeah, me just take up myself for a while and think and make.
Can you still playing Addis now?
Yeah, man. Me I one of the selector for Addis sound right now. Same way. Yeah, man.
Well, you know, you only play like some special events, some big events.
Yeah,
Boy.
certain dance now, like how the dance thing changes.
Yes.
You know, me go far and go play Addis sound now, unless I play amongst like the sound them where you just call
Radigan. Don't beat.
You know, Black Scorpio. You know what I mean? Jammies are them type of sound them me.
Yeah, when
the
them
youth
dance are you.
Yeah, the youth them know where we left on the sound or where we bring on the sound. You have to give them a chance for them
Elevate themselves.
Self to, you know, see. Yeah, man, so I just that with the thing, you know. Me only want enough for them shoes.
Right,
now.
right.
Because when me see I go on in a dance, me not too like it, but I can't do nothing about it. Because for them thing and them, they use them.
Right.
Them thing
and I'm forget them space so if
yes,
it grow
man,
too.
you have to give them thing for just like how some of the music them where I come a road now. Some of the people them I wonder if I really music that. You know what I mean? So even myself too, so I know all of them like, you know, but you have some of them where if you really listen to the way them I say, you will like it.
Right.
You know
True
what I mean? Yeah, man. Some of them you will like it.
Yeah.
Man. So it's just a thing with music.
Yeah.
When me feel what happen with the music now, still what make it's so hard for the rhythm them. Where them I put the music them on now.
I know reggae, I know a dancehall reggae beat where I get again, Danny, man.
No.
And that man.
Where I get a American.
Chop them call him, man.
Yeah, them chop the music. You know them chop it if I wear the music. And if it's a rat chop or
yeah, man.
them chop it somewhere, but for somehow it's still not sound to how we did want it for sound. But
right.
some of them not sound too bad.
Some of them are alright.
Yeah, because some of them still have in it. A mix
drum and bass in there.
Yeah, you know, some of them, but some of them now really, you know, some of them bass just a boom, 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 a bass the long go down there, so you know, note like boom, 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 you know, it's like the guitar, the bass guitar, now there no more. They throw them gone this.
It's reggae and dance on like drum and bass, man, and
you
man.
Some of the man them don't know. You see, Steely is a great man because you know. You see the little computer thing there like this.
Right.
Something like this Steely have, but Steely have a chip. When put in it and use it and play the bass, when Steely put that chip there in this, it play like a guitar. So that with Steely now, that enough man never knows so Steely find that bass note there in the tune them. And I play it with this. It's a chip. I just a little chip still use and change it. But you know what I mean? That's why Chile used to get that sound the whole time. But some of them youth I don't really know.
They don't understand
them
that.
just play with in front of them.
Yes.
It not give the right note and the right sound.
Let me wrap up the Addis thing. Because I said Addis is one of the greatest sounds where and a Jamaica sound. Like in the history of the thing. And Danny Dread and Supercat them go set that. You were the one who really and truly brought Babyface true.
Yeah. Because when we go there now, after a while, we go see Babyface to them. They're a good while, you know, because like him used to fool on the sound even before me come there. But Babyface used to mostly work in the record shop at a Chinaman brother.
Record shop?
Yeah, in Crat, record shop. The same place on the block there. You know, see, so he used to sell the record in there, so me now so face, yeah, me come help me around the sound man and thing and thing. So me I start to carry face with me and every dance me there and face with help me play the sound and select out some tune and thing. And so Babyface now.
Can't come through the thing.
Yeah, me and him start to go through. Because him is a youth, him brain quick too, you know.
The greatest teacher man have,
yeah,
man.
him brain quick too, so the mixing thing and them where them
quick on it.
Yeah, so Babyface get film run. Yeah.
I know that some of the big sounds around at the time were like Downbeat and Virgo Digital, which were some of the other sounds in and around the circuit at the time when you built Addis.
Well, I just said Downbeat and Virgo Digital. You have a whole part of them, some of them there, I never remember. Them. Yeah, you have a whole part of sound where it's bad enough for in there, you know. Yeah, man, you have a whole part of sound where it's bad.
Right, and then now, when you went on Addis, it was still DJs at DJ in a dance, and it kind of changed over now to, it just a play some man songs 145. And I saw you start, special start cut, you know.
Yeah, because you know, after a while, when you see, at the time when we carry on Babyface on the sound now, after a while now, at the same time, you know, Ethan start to take up the running of the sound.
Okay.
So, the music business is kind of changed now. No DJ, now come and dance again and them way there. So, the juggling thing now, we start to adapt that juggling thing, you know, and start to play. You know what I mean?
Right.
Yes, I have a lot of sound with up in Africa.
Africa.
Yeah, so them juggle like how Stone Love with that juggle, you know what I'm
Right.
So, some of the dance them, because don't for the dance them like we play Stone Love play with Addis enough time. Every sound come up, the Metro, every sound come up for in Africa. If you are clash, if you not clash, Addis you not clash.
True, true.
Every sound will come to Stone Love, Metro, Jar, just call them name, Addis them have to clash. Yeah, and them time they, one I time, me did there in them time, but one I time I tell them to move out. Then I think Mataran it come in, pan the sound and him and Babyface the day I go out with Wolper things stuff. You know, see, till you see that now, you have a different youth now named Kingpin.
Kingpin.
Yeah, you have one Jamaica we call Black. You know, we have our next one here, Sugar Dan.
Right.
You know what I mean? So you have to have a thing where we make other youth.
A renewal, man.
Yeah.
A renewal. Danny Dread can't select the sound all forever.
Not
and Babyface.
Yeah.
So you have to have renewal.
Yeah, you have to have renewal. So the youth them will do it and they will go and good to me.
Yes.
Yeah, yes. They
So-
go and good with the song.
So we are come from Iosis to Vice President to Soul Attorney, became King Attorney, became Socialist Roots, became Papa Roots. Then Jammy's King Majesty, who me left out?
When me play Jammies, you know, I could afford that me play King Majesty.
Right. No, I just have mentioned some of the sound them that you have worked on.
Yeah.
Right. Then we go places like Steromars and Addis. Of all the sounds that Danny Dread has played and turned into giants, which are the experience you cherish the most? When you think about all of your sound experience, the one there, you did love the environment there and the whole vibration, how we left out Volcano.
Me love the whole of them, you know.
Left all of them.
Yeah, because for some reason I don't know how comes, but it's like me have a certain amount of influence, attachment with the DJ them.
Right.
When me I play them want for DJ the sound. So the whole of the DJ them when me go up with we on the sound them where come DJ for me. We have a good time because here we stone now with the rate now. The said sound the way I talk, Papa Roots, which me rated for my name King Attorney. And you I used to DJ it and tell you I come like my teacher. Because them dance they know they used to ram and have a vibes in it, you know what I mean? So the whole of the sound them have them own little thing. Volcano come with own little thing, Stermars, you know, Jammies. You know what I mean?
Everybody have their own thing.
I tell you, one thing we used to fret about in a dance, two things, one. You have to fret if a man will kill a man or shoot up the dance, or you have to fret if police are come mash it up. But most of the time, police
have a problem.
A problem, you know see? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So all the experiences were good and mean a lot to you.
Yeah, man. Because Stelmar sound now, you know, is a sound where that sound they come like I don't tell you before, like when you want to go somewhere like on a beach and you stick upstairs and sound but through the box them so big and the thing them so pretty. If some people could have go back and say a dance down at Negril there where me play, man, it was a nice dance that white people they're like crazy. You know what I mean? Down at Negril one at a time, man. So
is Steromar the sweetest sounding and the sounds that you played?
No, the whole here is sweet sound. The four of them I put in that one category. I put Stermars, Volcano, Addis, and that one you know where name was so Papa Roots.
Papa Roots.
Yeah, I put the whole of them there in that one category.
Who was the best boss in terms of taking care of you?
Well, I can't get that, you know.
Skeng.
Yeah. I tell you the truth, I ain't get that, you know what I mean? I don't go around the bush.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you don't get that, man, and think so. I want to tell you, some of them, I don't know where them get bad, man, but when we just meet them, they did good. You know what I mean? But after a while, when them hear so Danny Dread go play a next sound, them get, and say, what, Danny Dread mad man, you know, they
Yes.
him out there, you know. You know, so me I say, maybe all of that I go over in them head in heavens, you know what I mean?
Yes.
So, Sturmers, Volcano, them two sound there, but Jammies now and Papa Roots, you know what I mean? It's like, the bad man sound them there, you know. Yeah. Jammies and Papa Roots, don't
Yeah.
ramp with them sound there, you
Ramp
know
with
what I
them
mean?
sound there.
No, and Sturmers now, and Volcano that come like the same kind of so entertainment and thing. And
Right.
enough goodness.
Yeah.
Addis now, when we reach Addis now, we reach at the top. Addis at the sound where, you know what I mean, we make me travel.
Right.
You know what I mean? And things, even though I travel and I stay my name already, but Addis at the sound now where I go England, I go Japan, I go, yeah man, I go one of them islands out there, so what name? Antigua. Yeah, I go there, so Addis is that sound.
Addis is a sound that bring
Plus,
places
yeah,
outside of Jamaica.
Yeah, in America.
All about.
All about in there, so Washington we done there, so man. Miami we go all about with Addis, man. You know what I mean? So, you know, Addis was come like a America sound. I not talk New York.
I tell you, Addis is a biggest sound where and a Jamaica based sound, man. Based on the history and what they have done.
Alright, and now all you see them are going, most of the sound them where we know of right now. Tell you the truth, if them for play against Addis, them probably don't want to take the date. Yeah, because the last time Java and Addis play, them said Java win. From that, Java not take no more date to that with you.
Yeah, you were the selector?
No, the other night them me leave the sound, the other night them me stop play the sound. They come like other night them me not play the sound. Because a 3 dance and Java play, you know. Before the dance, when them say Java kill Addis, you know. One keeper mobile, I made that play it. I kill Java. Next one keeper another beer, I made that play it. I kill Java. The third one keep over the water, he not play. Addis dead that night there.
Chupa was the selector for over Jara.
Yeah man, Chupa come play with that flag man and wave it so. That's done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have mixed all of the great entertainers in the history of the music, DJs and singers. You have been around the turntable mixing them.
Yes.
Who is, in your view, the DJ where you say, anytime he come in at the dance and Danny Dread go mix him, dance, can't.
Well, Demos, you know.
Demos.
Yeah, all right. Mix it. It was 2 pieces of amps we used to use, a bass and a treble. That's why I tell you some man say, when time we play back in the days, Bob Marley used to come on some of the dance and come sit down and listen, we play the sound, you know, because he used to move with the man. Them.
Right.
We play on the avant part there, so Bob Marley and enough of them dance because, as I tell you before, 2 pieces of amps. Church, bass, treble. So when we first start mix, cause when we used to play sound, we used to just drop in the bass and left it and we don't touch it.
Right, and not touch that.
Guy come out. So after a while now, we start to change up the thing and boop, 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 start to mix. One drop that time Demos time. So we used to have that one drop there. I give them with the mixing, you know, see, so I saw me start to mix out. I don't know who claims that they invent mixing, but that's
I saw you start mixing.
So yeah, I play from tube amps.
Right,
yes.
right, tube amps.
Whosoever want come tell that people say them start this thing, I tell you, I want to start from tube amps. If you want to start from tube amps, I want to.
Right.
Yeah, so the mixing, boop, boop, one drop, you know, see it and think that 2 pieces of amps. Go so now, the thing get evolved now and come up now, so mixer board coming.
Right.
All when Junjo Lords come with the big
with the
mixer
board.
With the big mixer board there. So that at the time we start to do most mixing pan the sound, you know what I mean? Because the DJ them around Junjo, them love it. Them love when you mix them. You know, mix me down the mix me, Tyan, Louis Lepke, Lee Van Cliff, the whole of them love the thing, Liquor John, the whole of them love when you
mix them.
Yeah, so when you take a start now, when the mixing come in, we start to boop, 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 give them the boop, 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 and change the flavor. You know what I mean? Enough man have that flavor there too when the mixing, because I have other youth who used to play and
right.
them have to mix them sound.
You would have played a million dance farther than it.
Yeah.
Is there any dance where to this day still stand out in your mind and you think about the dance, you just have a laugh for whatever reason? Probably are the biggest crowd, probably are the best vibes, probably one DJ shell down in something.
Yeah. Couple of them.
Couple of them.
Some of them were me love, and some of them were things happening where you can't stop talking about them dance there, you know? Like the dance one time, Jaro and Stermars did that play. You know, see it, and we never have Supercat. I'm telling them, man, they cut left the sound. I just some little youth when we have around it as entertainer. So we never have no entertainer for really play against Jaro that night. But we never, you know what I mean? For match Jaro.
Right.
Anyway, but we did give Jaro trouble. And I dance with the little thing where we have, we know because we have a little youth named Sancho. And
Sancho.
Yeah, DJ the tune, Chase Vampire.
Chase Vampire, right.
Yeah, so. I am the only DJ like the on the sound now where they there and I go out with something, and when you take us that now, Jaro now, after MC say I lose the dance now, the man go wake up Ninja Man and think. And come in and dance, that about 2 o'clock, that's right done, you know. The man comes with Ninja Man the night there, you see man, and then Ninja Man now, him and a film Pelico, you know. Him have a tune where that mash up the place, you know. Anyway, I'm draw that tune there.
Shell.
Yeah, Shell on the place. Cause him did for Silver Ark, you know, and Silver Ark used to use it and kill enough sound.
Oh, okay.
So when Mr. Harper goes to now and go wake up Ninja Man and carry me and dance tonight and thing on. Him them there they are going with you know Ninja Man now start to diss the program. You know, and start to talk about the DJ over there so. And the owner for the sound and the selector for the sound, the whole of them boys they eat on the table and you go so boof down and say blow. And say, sometimes Jinkers give me a box of beer. And I say, what that Ninja Man I say? Woof and fling 2 beer up there on the stage. And yeah man, and liquor and Ninja Man take with himself and all Chupa the night there. Chupa jump the back fence for dance mash up, you know, everybody start to run now, you know, because Chupa go fling the 2 back over there. And thing I said, no man. Done this man, you know, see it and thing and anyway, Ninja Man come check me the next day and I said, boy, I'm sorry and thing and I said, because enough people start to worship me, you know what I mean? And I said, sure, I threw you there under your thing, man. You know, see it and anyway, me and him, me never have nothing against Ninja Man too tough after that because I just to dance because sometimes you win and sometimes
you lose.
You know, see it, so when you take us that now, me even when we go for it, I'm going to go so about 2 to 3 weeks after that, you know. And me and him end up in a Japan, you know, me and Ninja Man, you know. Because I go up and play Addis for a dance in a Japan. There. And Ninja Man, me have to carry as the DJ. Yeah, so even after that happened, you know. Because some man said, Daddy, you know, mash up. Not like that, man. Because you have to come up.
Right.
And Ninja Man did it all. And me and him go to Japan, mash up the place, the first dance we keep, riot. First dance we play, riot. The people, the Japanese, you never know the Japanese, them could have gone so. Because Ninja Man go up on stage 3 times, you know, and I'm calling man, more Ninja. So the man said, Danny, me nah, go back down there, you know. I would tell him to go say something, you only hear, boom. The record them, the man them turn out the turntable, turn over the music, them and push down the security where they behind some iron something, so you know, space security. And the man them push down the iron thing, them and start to step on the people, them and start to mash up the record, them. We have to take ourselves and go away, you know. We left all my record, my music, them, you know, because I can't go down there, go.
You can't go for them?
No, them a share them out to them one another. Just share out the music, them, and some of them a pop them. You know, say, big car, them vex out Ninja Man to come back on the stage, you know, say, yeah, man.
Riot,
the first dance, man, and play, riot.
What do I share the record?
Yeah, man, I'm sorry, them never have them things that we show up on video.
On video.
Yeah, man, me and Ninja Man tear up the place, and I 3 dance, I play up there now. So you say next 2 dance now, I have to drive out the whole of Japan and I buy music back.
You have to build back your thing for go play.
Me little selection for go play the next 2 dance.
Jaja.
Yeah.
You said that, you know, some dance you win and some dance you lose. Which was the sound we gave? Any sound of Danny Dread upon the biggest fight?
Where give me the biggest fight?
Yeah.
Well, one time one son named Black Star give me a
Like a
fight.
tiger son.
Yeah. And I really mean them beat and the DJ them.
And the DJ there.
a
Tiger over there whoop them. Tiger was the only DJ there at the time.
Yeah, for Black Star, so the night, you know, see it, and Tupac and Demons, the pan thermals and things. Well, I saw them give you trouble at night. I'm not telling a lie. Tiger, I mash up the place, because Tiger come fresh, you know.
Yeah.
Jump out by here with him screaming and them things and tear up the dance tonight, me I tell him, man. Demons and Cat couldn't hold him. Well, I just that night there, you know, see.
Yes.
Well, them really give me a trouble.
Yeah, man.
In a dance, when they come on to clash things,
Yes.
you know, see it, say Black Star there.
Rubber dub selection, I will say I come from them time there. Who are the rubber dub selector with Danny Dread? No, who don't mind go dance, go listen a mix and a juggle back them time there. As a rubber dub selector.
As a rubber dub selector. Well, who me used to rate now? Me used to rate Emperor Faith.
Emperor Lord Faith.
Yeah, me used to rate Jawise.
Yeah,
Jawise now used to play a tip of tone.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you like them two vibration there.
They're rough, man, and Jawise used to rough too and things. So them two sound the
Yes.
Emperor Faith, you know.
And tipper tone with Jawise.
Yeah. Man, and things. So.
Juggling selector.
Well,
Who Danny Dread rate as a juggling selector? So this a man a bad.
When Mr. Juggling now, you know, me have to go put like the front, the old and the new.
Yeah, man.
Because the old one with me that really rate as a juggling selector. Because when Mr. Juggling, I that me that call juggling. Because them want to play soul and play everything.
Right.
So
Party type of vibe.
yeah, me that say Archie.
Archie.
Archie is a man who used to rate him as a selector, juggling. You know what I mean? But then after a film era now, the youth are come now, Rory.
Stone Love.
Yeah, me rate Rory as a selector, you know what I mean? And where they have Sky Juice now. Me rate him as a selector too. Sky Juice, no music.
Right.
You know what I mean? No music and thing. And so, them youth, you know, but they have some fresh youth nowadays now where, as I tell you before, a different thing I go on now. So, yeah, man, like always. Because you look at Ricky Trooper, you have some other selector there, you know, where them still in our picture, you know.
Right.
Because Ricky Trooper, they're the same way and them a select from them time there. You have other selectors.
Panther.
Yeah, Panther. Yeah, you know what I mean? Panther. I killed Panther already. You know,
Kill Panther already.
Yeah,
man like Richie Poo from Silver and them man there.
Panther knows some mash him one night and him like kill baby face tonight.
Would I kill baby face?
Yes, man, if I never touch the stage and come dance and go and rough man. Him like kill baby face and baby face couldn't hold it.
Couldn't hold him.
No, that's 2010. That dance to keep in a Queens.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Cutting specials became a thing in the latter part of the thing. Which artists you enjoy cutting the most?
Well, special them time there, like when me start cut special.
Right.
Like when we are cut special now. Me used to, from Stermas days, me I cut special, you know.
Oh yeah, cut special before you go Adis?
Yeah, man.
Okay,
from
cool now.
Stermas days, man, I cut special and think. After the DJ them, as I tell you before, me start to voice special.
Yes, I play tune and all.
Yeah.
And the DJ there.
Even the said tune when me tell you, say Ninja Man did do. Me did do it for a special, you know. And thing, you know, and the wickedest tune me never play, you know.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, man, the Ninja Man there, I say, he's a dead dude, he's
a
a dead dude.
Yeah, we know it's true, man.
Yeah, man. So, when time you sound my ear, you try that part of you know, you're dead, you know, Rastafari. Yeah, man, the Ninja Man there.
So Ninja was one of the man you enjoyed cutting special with back then?
Yeah, man, him rough, you know. Them really, yeah, man, Ninja is a man will kill you in a after a while now, then when Ninja did there before, but yeah, I used to Babyface did come meet up and him named Bounty. He was a man now where him now come take up the
Special thing.
Yeah, that's you know, man, you want 100 bounty. You no matter how much you get, you just want to, so Babyface used to go get the bounty them. Yeah, because he make a link with bounty, and him and bounty did have a good link, you know, see, so him used to go cut most bounty. Well, me used to go cut now like the Garnet Silk them, the Dennis Brown them, you know what I mean?
The elder statesmen them.
Yeah, the John Holt.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And them things there, man, so. Babyface was the juggling man on the sound, so he cut the juggling tune them.
Right.
You know, like the DJ one them, you know, back in the days you have the Tiger, the Shabba and you know what I mean, the whole works, because them youth the whole of them in them class.
True that.
Yeah, but the youth were used to bad to where I saw him dead. Because I do a tune for me before him dead. I know that tune there. The tape burn up in my house. That's one of my tunes where him do for me before him died.
Right.
Yeah, man. Panhead.
The great Panhead.
Yeah, man. The man do a tune from before him dead, the man.
Special or 45?
45.
45. And you lost the tune?
No, the tape burn up.
The tape, as me I said the tape.
Yeah,
you lost the tape?
Yeah, I lost the tape.
Jaja.
Yeah, man. I tune there like I say. We have to live with we going in our way and we not going to
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So, me did have the tune itself.
Okay.
Yeah,
a goal that you know.
Panhead did do
Danny.
the tune for me, yeah, man.
Jaja. I'm sorry if you know you lose some of them.
Some of them,
all of them things there, brother.
Yeah, some of them tape there, but that
as a goal them there, you know.
Yeah, because them tape that was my tape.
Right.
Because me have tune with him. They said you there with him. Where name the man? Baby Wayne.
Scalawa.
Yeah. And I have a youth named Conroy Crystal. We sing the
True Love will never die.
I have a tune with him named Time Bomb. Hit you like a time bomb. You know, see it. And Sonic Sound used to put out them tunes there for me, but through Sonic Sound shut down.
Yeah.
Couple like my music, them shut down with him. You know, see, because I don't see about no stamp and nothing.
Nothing.
The place shut down.
I'm sorry if you hear say you lost you lost those things over Danny, man. I'm really sorry if you hear that.
Yeah, man.
Nobody never die in the fire though.
No.
We give thanks to that part right there.
No, what I said going on.
Yeah.
So fire, you have to purify yourself, you know.
So when I cast life and cast nothing, I suppose.
Yeah.
Which rhythm are Danny Dread favorite rhythm for cut special pan?
Alright. You see the favorite rhythm now. You have a whole heap of rhythm where them nice, you know, but you see the rhythm name Sling Thing.
Sling Thing.
Where Jamie
Oh, Jamie Scott.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, my favorite rhythm that, man.
Yeah, man, so when Jamie's coming that rhythm there, you know what I mean? Every tune we want on that rhythm there, you know, see it. The DJ them the same thing.
Yes.
Even the bounty them and them rhythm there, we want to put Super
Sling Thing you want to pan.
Yeah, because Super Cat was the first man DJ Panda rhythm there, you know. Slim Thing, you know. Before Tenasa, you know.
Right.
Yeah, Tenasa sing Panic, but Super Cat, I think the Vice a tune for Jamie's Panic before him Vice Tenasa. Yeah, man. And then, but that Tenasa now, him and
Wayne Smith
come mash up the place with the rhythm. You know, see it. And I'm a Slim Thing and them thing there and Tenasa come now with Pumpkin Belly. And John Wayne and the whole of them. Every man want Slim Thing with it. Yeah, man.
Of the sounds where you never play, is there a sound that you ever look at and say, you know, someone wish me to get a piece of that?
I play upon that sound.
Right.
Alright. The sound when I never play, where me that wish if me that played, is a sound where we used to go look pan and play. Like, me never played, but me used to play.
Got the party them.
Yeah, me used to play a little party, but the sound where me love now, King Tubby's sound.
Tubby's?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
When you got Tubby's, you know, and you hear you a DJ, and the echo, him no use the echo till when him read the invitation, you know. So when time you hear you, I go read the invitation, he say, "No, brothers and sisters, you know, some echo is, the mic sound wicked."
See it?
Yeah, so King Tubby's on the sound, and love. That's why when time we come start to play, King Atan and my technician set up an echo on it. I kind of rate him too. Yeah, man, I rate the youth to build King Tubby's, and I rate the youth to build King Atan. He's an Indian, you know, he used to live on Fitzgerald Avenue named Gussie. Yeah, man, Gussie is an Indian brother, you know. But the technician, them rough, because him build vice president too, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm come build King Atan, Soul Atan.
So, as I say vice president, because if you say vice president, it means you don't have a son named President
International.
Okay.
Two of them was friends too, you know. Vice president and President International. The President International come from one Fitzgerald Avenue around that way there, you know, where them call Spade Corner around.
Okay, right.
You know what I mean? So vice president now, and them was president, but President International are the right president. I'm the big president and the vice president. President International are the big sound.
Right.
You know, when me used to go listen to before vice president. Yeah, so President International was the big sound.
Yes.
Yeah.
Father Danny, I've been doing this from early 70s.
Yeah, from early 70s.
So call that 50 plus years.
Yeah, call that about 50 and little. 50, you can call it about 50 and about 2.
Yeah, still enjoy playing music?
Yes, man, even today right now, music can, because right now, me and Isla play down so the other night, and we have a couple more dance to play, and we decided, what we are going to do here now is try to play back some original music in a dance and play some original style. When me not like, because it's not easy, because the youth them...
I think there now.
Yeah, and with the youth them, because you not have no youth that come stand up side of you about him a DJ all night and them thing there. As I tell you before, that at the party I kind of would have said, so if I play sound now and we can get back them DJ
I love that.
We for work with. But the DJ them done stage show now, them not no more sound thing. Them carry them CD and them DJ 10 minutes up, and when them do them 10 minutes, them done.
Then gone.
Yeah, you know, see, they not stand up around that again. So if me could have get some youth now where I take the thing them like how we used to do it and come and dance at night time and you turn themselves in a DJ, but then think they don't work again. A man have him computer and him laptop now and him turning a DJ.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So it kind of judge. So when I have to find out something I forgot to do, just maybe I just have to just go and play.
Play some tune.
Play some tune. You know, play some original tune and do a thing. You know what I mean? I make some people go and listen to them and things.
Danny Dread come from Tube Amps days and the thing very computerized now. Has it been difficult for Danny Dread to make that transition down the years? Has the thing changed?
Yeah, it changed, you know, but because you go now. When we used to play Tube Amps and things, I used to see the key them and them things, you know, and I just 2 pieces of amps. But you know, when it changed now, when you see you have to have 6 pieces of amps and you have to string up bass, different from tweeter, mid. So it reach a standard where you have to know about that way, know it from
you
that.
have to learn the thing as you go along.
That's why anytime me get Volcano sound now and Stelmar sound now, and them sound them I get most of my stringing up whole heap of amps, you know, and put the thing them together. You know, to make it play. Well, when the mixer come in now, with the 2 CD them, it changes. So again, because you stop to play.
Stop play record.
You stop to play a record and walk with this big box or something where strain you. You don't do that no more. You walk with
your pouch.
Your pouch. And it have our next stage, you know, where go to again after the pouch.
Everything up on the computer.
Yeah, man, them just a pouch.
Flash drive.
Laptop, you know. Laptop. And just have a little thing now where stay so. And it even got wicked now, because sometimes I see a man coming out the yard the other day with him phone. And I mix I see my mixer and I'll play
on him phone.
On him phone, so the thing gone, you know.
High tech.
High tech, so you have to try to keep up with it. Because when me try to do, you know, I try to learn a little bit about the computer.
Right.
When I can go on it now, and I have my laptop up on my yard there where I can play. You know what I mean?
Right.
Yeah, so I try to
you're up with the time, so other Danny.
Yeah, man, I have to keep up with it, you know.
Yes.
When I say me know a whole about it, but I know if I set up my laptop and you know what I mean, and bring down the music them and way with it, because it's like you have to learn these things. They never know it or not, you have to know it, you know, see, that's why enough of the selector them were back in my days, if you notice them, even them say them a play sound same way. I must say, them take the mic, and it's a youth that a play them sound.
And them a do the talking,
and
right? Them not do no mixing, them just a talk.
No.
You still a do your mixing.
I still a mix my thing, you know, say it and what. I mean, I do the talking.
Right.
Just like
Right.
Me there I mix my laptop same way, you know what I mean?
Man.
We want the things same way, man, because you want to know if you do it, you know?
Danny Dread has been playing music from yes, about 18 them time there.
Yeah.
Is there anything where Danny Dread love enough other than the music where he then do? If I never music him play all these years. To feed him family.
Alright. Well, I feel like I say electrical work.
See electrical, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
If you never go to music way, me would have still do that way there.
Right.
Yeah, because one day me there crossroad I fix some light in a old world. That time old world did there crossroad, you know. Upstairs I fix some light and it's like that day they know me and the next youth they were 2 hours work. But the man checks that the man lock off the main switch in the panel. And so me go down there now and like me I go screw in a wire and thing and then and so me I cut the wire me here blow with the pliers, the little piece of the pliers leak out. The current leak out piece of the pliers. Me I said blow me could have dead. And me I said could have dead. And me said nah go back. Go back and work here. Me just leave that same time man and go home man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and I hear one of the bridge, you know, where me I learn trade. Trade know me know the work good, you know. And the first bike me I go on, and him bike give me in and say, you must come and work earlier. Yes, man, and things. So it's like when you have your bike now, you're cool.
You can't say late.
You can't say late.
Yeah, man.
I late forever. I don't go back on the work. You know, see. But a good man can could have come back for his bike.
He could have come back for his bike with you.
He don't take it. He blow some he's a good youth.
Yes.
And just music me love, you know. I like him. He see him he like him a check for me too, you know, because enough time me I ride past him and me stop him. I say, Richard, what go on? And I say, oh yeah, the music. You know, him just,
That's a cool man, a cool man.
I'm dead too.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, man, enough people me know drop out, you know, man, and thing, you know, but me I say, boy, life there same way. One thing me that beg the youth them for do right now in that earth right now is for just done with the violence. Yeah, man, just done with it because
I would love that.
But yeah, the youth now, the youth them look like them and them now do them thing upon them own, you know. To me, you have some bigger heads out there where I make things and get the youth them if you take. When them don't take them something to them know themselves no more. Them never know them mother, them that kill all them mother and them father and them know. So them do that till maybe long after. Yeah, I don't feel them violence just so wicked. I feel them attack.
Something like it.
Yeah. Because me remember one time now when man used to do things and man used to say, you know, a cokehead that.
Right.
Yeah, cokehead do that to them, but nowadays you have something rougher than cokehead where them are getting youth them, but we don't know.
Probably a Mali. I don't know.
I hear about that one.
You hear about that one there.
Really know about it, but we hear about it.
Yeah. Looking at your journey, Father Danny, is there anything what the man would then do differently? Looking back at it, to say, you know, at least certain things then in place and then things with them more balanced?
Yeah, whole heap of things. Like me never, like looking back at it now, you see when me I produce the music them back in them days, me never register me thing them and them thing there, you know, and them way there. So most of the things them were maybe would I get royalty off and now.
Right.
Me never do those things, you know, see, because me I do it for the
love.
joyness. Yeah, I do it. Me not do it for really to get rich off right and thing, but then me know some money in it, you know what I mean? And thing if me never get my music, them never get take away. Me that be one of the richest producers in this time. Because me I do them things before John Jolas.
Right.
John Jolas come make him name off of some of my rhythm them when me make, you know. Yeah, because when Linval Thompson they sing the tune them for me, Linval sing 5 tunes for me. I never have no money for pay him. So me give the 5 with him.
Oh.
5 with him, I give Linval, because I never have no money.
You never have money to pay him?
No, so him sing the tune them for
and
me.
You give him the rhythm
and
then?
me give him the rhythm then for money.
Payment.
For payment. So John Joe get some of my rhythm them now from Linval Thompson and put all bantan leaf upon it and make big tune. Because I have a rhythm where say, well, we do that choose. Can't stop Natty Dread again. He said real rock there.
Real rock.
Yeah. Because I lick a whole part studio one with him.
Right.
I lick the real rock. And if you notice bantan leaf, John put on a tune where say, look in my love.
Look at my, yeah.
I found I lost it on a zone highway or something like that. Yeah, man. Look in my love.
So you then register the thing them.
Yeah, me register me think them in a better way.
In a better position.
But then again, no, me no matter. It no really come like it now. Me no really care if it where the only thing for know so well and boy me have life.
Right.
Because me seeing which way, even when the house burned down, you know, and when me come and me see the thing them, like when Jaja said to me say, you see all of them things there. You know what I feel say? You know, but worry yourself over it, you know. Don't worry no time at all, because I see people lose our car, and when you look, you see him sick the next week. Car.
It's just out.
Man, stress out to lose the work.
Yeah.
It's stress out. There's no never trouble me in life again, you know, Jaja. Come here, Jaja, if you say, Jaja show me, say, watch you now. Everything where you say, oh, you material thing, leaves, don't. Because once you get trapped in them things, you know, and thing go bad, you know, it pull you down. I'm going to get to find out that true, they said fire there too.
Right.
So when the fire take me, I say, well, and Jaja said, love them things, man, love. I said, I love all the music, them, and I said, I don't want no royalty from none of them, I very love them with it.
Yes.
You know,
for the people out there who would want to book Danny Dread to come mash up one session, how they reach you?
Well, I can leave my phone number upon this
yeah,
thing
man.
and thing right now, because what I'm going to do now, you know, I have my brethren when they're Islary, where me and them out for team up and try to bring back the youth them in the business where we used to listen how we play sound. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
so
man.
me and Islary out to start a thing. So you see my number now, my number 384-6459. That's my personal number. 384-6459. Yeah, so.
Anybody want to reach the great man can reach there, so.
Yeah,
man. How many children the great man have?
Well, me get one boy and two girls.
Okay.
Two different mother though.
Okay.
Yeah, the boy.
Yeah, they're wrong with us.
One boy and two girls.
Yeah.
The boy
big people ever know.
Well, I get a 6 grand man.
Congratulations, man.
I hear the word thing, 6 boy.
6
American,
6 grandchildren and a 6 boy them.
6 boy, one of them live up.
That's who get a couple granddaughter, man.
I don't get one yet.
That's who get couple, man. That's who get couple. Yeah.
My son him have one. My daughter have one of them have 2 and one have 3.
Yeah.
Pay boy 6. Uncle Sam supposed to say boy Danny Dread. Your family, I want them boy to go in my army. Yeah, cause so them love them thing they
love them thing
boy
there.
pick me a foreign, you know.
Yeah.
Just like in India, man. India, them boy like them American too, you know. Them love when you get boy pick me, you know.
Yeah, man. Mr. French, right?
Eh? Married?
Yeah.
No, I don't married.
But the great man Danny is still around. And looking very well, sir.
Well, every day people tell me, say, why you not get old?
Because Danny Dread, if memory serves me correctly, born 1954.
Yeah.
Danny Dread a big man.
Yeah.
You looking great, Godfather.
Yeah, man, I tell you the truth, man, because and that's why I put life in front of all things. Your life in front of all things. When I say all things, car, house, land, car, money, everything.
Sata, the great Danny Dread.
Yeah.
The greatest selector who ever lived. I mean, I say that publicly, that's my view. The most influential. You understand what I say?
Yeah, man. You know, so enough man say it to me and I never say it to myself.
Yeah, well, me I say it, sir. the influence that you have had over the music down the years is great. You would have made many selectors can feed them family, and many artists you would have helped to pull them through when they try to build them thing.
Yeah.
And your contribution to the music is absolutely phenomenal.
Yes.
And we appreciate it, bigger boss.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate the reason to us, Mr. The people them teach.
Yeah.
Danny Dread.
These are just half of the story.
We know half of the story. So if you ever want tell me the next half,
Yeah, the next
just let me know, man.
Yeah, man, that's the book for complete.
The book, I'll put the next half in the book.
Yeah,
We're willing to buy it and read
this
it.
is just half of the story.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
So
man.
give thanks, great man.
Yeah, man.
And go and do the thing. And when you are playing anyway, you know, you make me know as long as me can forward and come listen to the great man at work.
I know when me play people right now, I'm gonna check me for and the next thing we are doing, I can get there for.
If you come do some work there, yeah, show me the vibes earlier.
Yeah, man.
Just keep the link, man. The link is live and we say as long as it's possible and thing.
Yeah, man, and big up the whole Jamaica and the whole people them when are foreign the same way. Everywhere we have to big up one another all over the world. And some of the man them will pass and gone. We can't big them up same way, because even though them not pass out, them spirit live on. And the man them were they both same way like Skengdan and some of the man them were still alive, Ethan, Addis, them, you know what I mean? All part of the thing them have to set that way there. I have enough artists now where me and them are bridging where me have to big them up too. Even though some guy left me like Dick of Demos, I want them a good DJ bridging that Super Cat. Him is the next man where me check for enough too, you know see it. And you know what I mean? The whole of them cut around can we build them man, Jonah Demos, you know what I mean? Burro Bantan. Yeah, big up all of the DJ them where used to run with, all Ninja Man too. Yeah man, and the Cartel is a youth what me check for. Because the Cartel is a good DJ, you know. But I don't know when him make them thing happen to him. But me respect Cartel because he's an educated youth. You know what I mean? But him make people lead him astray, I don't know. With some man, them have good man, them, you know, but this the people that around you, them mash up your things. Like Tony Welch now. A good man, you know, I know to have nothing against him, you know, but you must have some man around him, but lead him astray and make him do evil. So you see the man around him will make him do evil now, them things they drop back on him. You know what I mean? Yeah, and John Joe was a good boy too, but him still make man influence him for do evil. So enough of the man them get it, but them lose it after a while because through them bringing evil in the thing. And you know what evil mean, a devil works. You set up man life. Because sometimes don't you know, I know you go to the killing, but you tell a man, the boy that's for dead, you know. What you think you do? Are you kill the man? Because you tell the man to go kill the man. You know see it? So you are the one where I go be the judgment at the end of the day. It may not look so but.
Father Danny, write the book.
Yeah, man.
Boy, the next half of the story, I really and truly appreciate the man taking the time out for all the reasons so we can document.
You know what I mean? You forgot to hear about Portland with Taros sound.
Taros.
Yeah, you forgot to hear about Volume 1 from Negril. You know what I mean?
You play Taros?
Yeah, man. Me and D must play Taros, man. Because I youth name Fanny away more name on it.
Yeah.
So me and D must used to go down and go play Taros.
You know I play Virgo?
The Virgo, yeah. I play against him, I kill him, I make him cry. Make him cry one night, Virgo. Yeah, man, they said Jamaica there too.
Yeah.
I DJ Papa Roots, and we did two of us playing us in our land, Avon Park. We are Virgo. At the time, a Lone Ranger.
Lone Ranger DJ. Remember Lone Ranger was over there, man.
All right. You know, so...
And Jamaica, what him?
Yeah, Jamaica is there
Papa Roots.
But you know what I mean? And things. So that night, you know, we done the dance. Rough. Yeah, man. But
all right.
The dance now with Virgo now. Virgo is a sound where Lone Ranger there, but one at a time. Me and Lone Ranger are par, you know. And because Lone Ranger did a DJ. Virgo did that off him, so I do it or something. And me and Ranger are par. I play Jammies.
Jammies, okay. Oh, so Ranger was around by Jammies when you did run there play the song?
Yeah, Ranger with the dead because you know, they must go where far, you know.
Right.
I don't know for some reason.
That's not for a story, I don't get for true with it.
He was lucky because he must go far and left me banded. So Ranger now, me have to go for Lone Ranger for me and him play Jammies.
Yeah,
so.
One of the next great Saturday night thing, man.
Yeah, man.
Big boss, as we say, put the rest of that book.
Yeah.
And read it. Because we know it's the journey long and thing. But we appreciate what the man has done and as I say, go and do it, Godfather.
Yeah, man,
and I want link. So anytime you just link me, and as long as we can reach, we come support the thing and hear the great man. Because I've never been in an event where Danny Dread played. So it would be nice. You understand? I have the feather there in my cap.
I want to play one nice event where you can come to. You know, want to play anyone where you have 10 people a night and everything.
Yeah, man, you have them one nice.
Enough people.
Yeah, man, I would have loved that too still. So just let me know and we're there. Alright, so I could know I will see you go still. See?
Yes,
Bigger boss.
Yeah, man.
Greatness, man. Heart of love, man.
Yeah, man.
Blessings.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.